2 weeks time may be granted to file counter.
Have you informed the opposite party?
I'll inform just now.
Who? Who is there?
I don't know.
You don't know. No, I don't.
Actually,
I don't
for
adjourn a
opinion
matter
also-
when the opposite party is not informed. You inform the opposite party in front of me, then I'll end. Otherwise, no.
I'll
Okay.
inform them.
Item number 1.
Ma'am, please, your lords.
One.
My lord, in this case, my lord, the petitioner challenged the appointment of Anganwadi worker at
Appointment of Anganwadi
Anganwadi
worker.
worker, my lord, at
What happened?
Kundai Anganwadi Center under Moroda zone, my lord. Have a glance to my lord, annexure 1, my lord. That is a
Don't show me annexure 1 from the beginning. I say, what is the matter? Please
Oh.
speak in 2-3 lines. What is the matter first? Then you'll show me the annexure. I've told this is the system in my court.
Oh.
Every
matter-
council has to speak in brief what is the matter, then we have to go to the show the annexure. Don't suddenly jump to the annexure.
Oh.
Yeah,
Oblige,
please.
my lord. My lord, the matter is that, my lord, when the advertisement was published, my lord, total 13 posts was published, my lord. But all are
Please,
belongs to
please, maintain
ST
silence.
category.
Don't talk inside the courtroom. Please, I don't like this. Please don't talk inside the courtroom. If you want to talk, what's it? Yes.
My
I'll
lord,
get
when
disturbed.
the advertisement was published, my lord, for 13 posts, my lord, all are belongs to ST category. There is no option reveal for the general category.
So, no option even for general category. Maybe there is a special drive,
No.
or maybe that particular center may belong to SC ST candidate.
My lord, in that center, my lord, no ST candidate is also available, my lord. And total 13.
What do you want? What is your grievance? Actually, I don't understand.
My grievance is that
Ah.
that is against the reservation policy, my lord.
Sir,
Third-
reservation policy, sometimes what happens, there are some center where it is meant for SC, meant for ST. Their general candidate can't be
My lord,
appointed.
total
Simple.
13 posts, all are ST, my lord.
Maybe
is on the
because
challenge.
SC posts were maybe lying vacant. What is the harm in that?
My lord, the petitioner belongs to
You belong to your category. That doesn't mean that they should not publish the advertisement for filling the ST candidate. Maybe there sometimes what happens, they can because of non-availability of candidate, in some your what is the center. So the ST candidate post may be lying vacant. So that's at a time they have to publish it.
my lord, my grievance is if ST category remain vacant, so why the present petitioner may not be considered for that sad
Sir,
post.
considering you go to them, I can't consider. This is the mandate of the constitution for SC, ST reservation. I cannot consider that question. You approach the government, if government can consider, government can
I
consider.
approached the CDPO that if ST category is not available, so my case may be considered, my lord.
Your case can't be considered, sir. You don't have a good case.
My lord, 13 posts, all are
Maybe,
reserved, my lord.
Maybe. Where is the law says that they can't publish the ST candidate, the advertisement can't be for only ST candidate.
Mm.
Where does the law say?
My lord, in Supreme Court, the Indira
अरे
Sabha-
सुप्रीम कोर्ट छोड़ो ना
हाँ।
सुप्रीम कोर्ट केते केस
हाँ।
फैक्ट्स हिसाब से सुप्रीम कोर्ट कौन कहछि कहबे ना
No, all seats should be reserved. That is against the policy.
the
My
entire state all this is these the
my
problem
lord,
is you are not trying to understand. See, there are certain pockets of the state where there is a predominant, the predominantly inhabited by the ST candidate, ST population. There might be some reservation for ST candidate. So if there is a reservation for ST candidate, can't say, oh, why should I am a general candidate, why should a general candidate man be not allowed to participate?
yes, my lord. That is my grievance, my lord.
Your
Why a
grievance
general
cannot be
candidate,
addressed here.
my lord, why a general candidate cannot be participate?
If it is for what is the reason for all ST, sir?
The advertisement annexure 1
Hmm.
reveals that ଅନୁସୂଚିତ ଅଞ୍ଚଳରେ
ସେ
ଅଙ୍ଗନବାଡି
ଅଞ୍ଚଳରେ
କେନ୍ଦ୍ର।
ହଉଛି ପରା scheduled area ରେ ହଉଛି scheduled area ରେ scheduled ଲୋକକୁ ନିଆଗଲା ଅସୁବିଧା କଣ ହେଲା?
ପରିଚାଳିତ
But when the ST candidate is not available,
ଆରେ
and
ଭାଇ
so
available ନହେଲେ sir advertisement ବାହାର କଲେ apply କଲେ ତ
apply କଲେ
ସର୍ଭେ କରିଥିଲେ କି ଆଗରୁ?
ଆଗରୁ ନାଇଁ
Free?
जो अंगनवाड़ी सेंटर रे होउची
ଆରେ
ଆମର very
ବୁଝିଲି,
छोट
that's
area है my lord.
available
ନା,
ତାହେଲେ
ନା,
not
advertisement
available,
କରିକି ଲୋକ apply କଲେ ତ ଜାଣିବେ, ଆପଣ କେମିତି ଜାଣିଗଲେ ଆଗରୁ available ଲୋକ ଅଛନ୍ତି କି ନାହିଁ?
Again it is a limited
I am not
area
just
and we know that
Sa-
that no
ସର୍ଭିସ
ST
ଏରିଆ
category is
ନଥିଲେ
available.
ଗାଁରୁ କରିବେ, ଗାଁ
ହଁ,
ନଥିଲେ
service-
ପଞ୍ଚାୟତରୁ କରିବେ
ହଁ,
ବଟ୍
that is a service area. So-
ସର୍ଭିସ ରେ ନଥିଲେ ଗାଁରୁ କରିବେ,
ସେ
ଗାଁ
service-
ନଥିଲେ ପଞ୍ଚାୟତ
ପଞ୍ଚାୟତରେ
କରିବେ,
କରିବେ।
ପଞ୍ଚାୟତ ନଥିଲେ ବ୍ଲକ କରିବେ, କଣ ଅସୁବିଧା ହେଇଗଲା?
So there is no chance of
You have no case, sir, sorry.
there
The
is no
grievance of the
chance of a
petitioner is
general
that-
category.
Just a minute. The grievance of the petitioner, what have you challenged actually?
I have challenged that notification a lot.
Notification. କାଇଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଲେଖାରେ ତ କୋଉଠି ଲେଖି ନାହାନ୍ତି ସେମିତି?
लिखिଛି my
The
lord.
petitioner challenging the illegal and arbitrary action of the opposite parties with regard to appointment of Anganwadi worker at Kundei Anganwadi Center, Moroda zone in the district of Mayurbhanj, for which the present petitioner approached. କାହାକୁ challenge କଲେ?
Notification is under challenge my lord.
କୋଉଠି ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ପ୍ୟାରାଗ୍ରାଫରେ କାଇଁ ଲେଖିବେନି?
First जो पारा
ଆପଣ
3 रे
first
ମୁଁ
paragraph
डिटेल
ଲେଖିବେନି?
लिखिଛି
ସେ କଥା
पारा 3 रे
ଏତେ
ସେଟା
ଗପ
ବିବୃତି
ଲେଖିଲେ
लिखिଛି
ସେଇ ଅସଲ କଥାଟା ଲେଖିଲେନି ଆପଣ? I'm trying to just tell you, please, when you are writing the first paragraph, this is a preambular paragraph. Just like the Constitution preamble.
yes yes
But from looking at that preamble, you say what kind of constitution you have. Like that, your first paragraph should reflect like that. What do you want? What is the gist of your, your submission? In first paragraph, ସବୁ ଆସିଯିବା କଥା main. ନାହିଁ ଆପଣ କୋଉଟା କାହାକୁ ଚ୍ୟାଲେଞ୍ଜ କରିବେ ଲେଖି ନାହାନ୍ତି। Write down. The petitioner challenging the advertisement dated
dated my lord 18/7 to 20 to 23
87 to 23.
विज्ञापन
The selection has been made or is it
No, no,
only
no.
advertising?
only
At this
advertisement.
stage you have come here.
Yes my lord.
Okay. Advertisement 18/7/2023.
Yes my lord.
He further submits that the advertisement, which is in the said advertisement, there are 13 posts.
Yes my lord.
13
13
posts
Mm.
been advertised for filling of for the post of Anganwadi.
अंगनवाड़ी
worker.
वर्कर
However, all those 13 posts are meant for ST candidates, reserved for ST candidates. Petitioner being the general candidate has no scope to even apply for the said post. Okay. Lord Constable, the state submits that since the posts are belonging to
schedule area.
pertaining to the schedule area, hence only ST candidates are invited for participation in the seat selection process. Considering the grievance of the petitioner, since the posts are meant for the scheduled area and ST category candidates have are invited for filling of those posts, the petitioner being a general candidate cannot be considered. Hence, the petitioner is divided by the merit against the dismiss.
my lord my opportunity may can be
Please,
if
please,
in absence of ST
I
candidate.
can't say anything. That
Well,
they will do. If
I'll
you
go
have
ahead.
any grievance, you approach the appropriate authority, not here.
That liberty my lord one.
What liberty?
We have
You
to
can go
approach.
anywhere. There's liberty is not required.
Liberty knowledge is.
No, I am not giving any liberty.
My
ଏମିତି case
lord.
file କଲେ ମୁଁ liberty ଦିଏନି। ଯୋଉ case ଆପଣ ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି ଭଲ କରି ଯେ ଏମିତି case ପାଇଁ
ସେ ତ ଶୁଣିବେନି କିଛି my
ନହେଲେ
lord.
ନାହିଁ ମୁଁ କଣ କରିବି? ଆପଣ file କରନ୍ତୁ ସେଠି। You know very well, it is
Yes.
meant for schedule area, it is meant for schedule
Yes,
ST.
total-
ପୁଣି ଆପଣ file କରିଛନ୍ତି କଣ ପାଇଁ?
ଟୋଟାଲ ଟାକୁ ବ୍ଲକ କରିଦଉଛ
block
ଜେନେରାଲ
block-
କାଟାଗୋରୀ କ ପାଇଁ କିଛି ଅପରଚୁନିଟି my lord
ଆଜି schedule area ଆପଣ constitution ରେ ଅଛି ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି କୋଉ ଜିନିଷଟା?
yes yes
କୋଉଠି ଦେଖିଲେ?
ଏ ଯୋଉ
Constitution ବହି ଦିଅ- ନା, ବହି ଦିଅ।
third-
ଏବେ
third
ଦେଖେଇବ- ନା, ଦେଖ-
ରେଗୁଲେସନ 2 my lord
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ବାହାରିକି ମତେ ଦେଖିକି ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ତାର ମୁଁ ଜାଣିବି ଆପଣ
ରେଗୁଲେସନ 2
give me the constitution book. Where is the schedule area? କଣ specifically ତାର significance ଟା କଣ? ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ। What is the significance of the schedule area? What is one? Read that. What is the article? Which article of the Constitution? ଏଠି ବସନ୍ତୁ ଆଉ କେସ୍ ବି ନଉଛି ଆପଣ ପଢି ସାରିଲା ପରେ ମତେ କହିବେ
Yes, yes,
ହେଲା
yes.
ଛାଡ଼ିବି
Yes, my lord.
ନେକ୍ସଟ ନମ୍ବର
Item number 2,
yes 2
My lord. My the petitioner is a Anganwadi worker. Our Anganwadi center is submerged in the lower sectoral irrigation project, my lord. And she has submitted representation to rehabilitate her as a similarly situated person has been rehabilitated in lower.
ଅର୍ଡରଟେ କରାଯାଇଥିଲା
ହଁ, ହେଇଥିଲା,
ସେଇ
ଅଛି।
ଅର୍ଡର ସିମିଲାର ଅର୍ଡର କରାଯାଇଥିଲା you approach the collector if collector can because the
In two
problem is
cases.
that in many areas people have been actually not relocated in a one place. They have somewhere
Different,
some are
pockets.
relocated somewhere like that. So that's why there's a problem.
Yeah.
So let the
That has been
collector
taken
take a
care of in
call.
all.
Yes.
In two
Give it.
cases,
Give it.
passed over.
Civil order.
ଏତିକିଟାରେ ହେଇଗଲା।
Civil order. ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଜାଗାମାନଙ୍କ ନାଁଟା କଣ? କୋଉ ଗାଁ ଗୁଡା?
And given in a sleep I have given. All the matters are similar.
ସେ ଗାଁ ମାନଙ୍କ ନାଁଟା ଅଲଗା ହବ ନା?
ହଁ ସେ ହଁ ଗାଁ ନାଁଟା ଅଙ୍ଗନୱାଡି ସେଣ୍ଟର ଅଲଗା ହବ ବ୍ଲକ ଟା ଅଲଗା ହବ ଡେଟ୍ ଅଫ ଜଏନିଂ ଟା ବି ଟିକେ ଅଲଗା ହବ I am giving a sleep mirror.
ଠିକ Okay, all matters.
All are common.
item number 3,
Pardon, my lord, I am in VC, my lord.
3
Pardon, my lord, I am in VC, my lord.
yes please.
My lord, kindly taken after 1 week, my lord. Mr. Sam,
Sorry,
kindly taken after 1 week, my lord.
after 1 week.
My lord, Mr. Sam,
With the opposite party, state,
statement.
raise matter. Let notice be issued. Why after 1 week, madam?
Yes, yes, my lord.
Yeah, what is the issue?
So they are claiming regulation as per the Dhananjay Kumar Chandra Day case. Sikha Sayak.
Okay. Issue notice.
Right.
SLP has been dismissed. SLP preferred by the state has been dismissed. So you should consider,
Your may dispose of also. Asuna.
take notice, because she doesn't want to. The petitioner filed the writ petition seeking a direction from this court to allow the benefits to observe the petitioner as Sikha Sahayak with effect from their engagement pursuant to the resolution dated 16/2/2008 and extend such benefit of regulation of service after 3 years of completion of service as junior teacher. And thereafter, teacher after 3 years,
Regular teacher.
teacher after 3 years,
Regular teacher.
a regular teacher after 3 years. And to allow all the benefits as admissible to the post of Sikha Sahayak accordingly, the Sikha Sahayak full stop. Accordingly, the petitioner has filed a representation before the government to consider in accordance with the judgment passed in writ petition number writ petition civil number 312679. I repeat 312679 of 2011 filed by Dhananjay Charan Dey and others.
Who রাস্তা এটা এই
Which
যে
one?
ন্যাশনাল হাইওয়ে
Later,
কর্তারপুর
who are OT, don't shout here. I feel very disturbed. If anybody wants to talk, go outside talk. Please don't disturb me. This I don't like. So they prefer SLP. The state school and mass education department preferred SLP before the Supreme Court. And they said SLP being SLP number 13627 of 2021
Yes.
has been dismissed.
Yes.
What are you looking?
ଅଧା ଦେଇଛି।
26/1/2000.
No.
ଅଧା ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି
This is pending or disclosed?
SLP ର ଅଧା ସେ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି।
ହଁ?
SLP 27 page ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି।
Madam, SLP is pending or disposed of?
Disposed of, disposal, disposal.
Disposed of means
Don't-
what? Dismissed,
Disposed of,
allowed, what?
with
Don't say
dismissal.
dispose of. Was it dismissed or allowed?
Dismiss, my lord.
It can be disposed of with allow also, it can be dismissed with allow also.
Dismiss.
Dismissed. Where have you written that? Is it dismissed? You have
Annexure-
not written anywhere. it is
annexure-
dismissed.
My
You
lord,
have written
annexure,
disposed of.
Annexure-
Dispose of word has a different connotation.
dispose of, with dismiss, my lord, in annexure 4, my lord.
ऐसे कैसे होता?
Annexure,
Dismissed. Dismissed. Where is it? Where have you written it dismissed?
in annexure 4, my lord.
Para 20.
Madam, first paragraph रे लिखिया କଥା है. ସବୁ paragraph 13 ରେ କି ଖୋଜିବ ବସିକି.
First paragraph of
ଅଥା ଗପ ଗୁଡା ତ ଲେଖୁଛନ୍ତି ସେ ଗପରେ କିଛି ରେଲିଭେନ୍ସ ନାହିଁ. ଆଉ ବାକି ଯୋଉଟା ଦରକାର ସେଟା ଲେଖୁନାହାନ୍ତି. Paragraph. Paragraph.
confirming the judgment of Dhananjay Charan De, my lord.
ହଁ ସେଟା ଲେଖିବେ ନା କୋଉଠି ଲେଖିଲା ଫାଷ୍ଟ paragraph ଲେଖିବା କଥା. ଆପଣ ଅର୍ଡର କର ମତେ ଦେଖିଲେ ଅର୍ଡର ଟା କୋଉଠି?
Yeah, dismiss it.
ଅର୍ଡର କୋଉଠି
Yes,
annexure 4.
Order ଅଧା ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି
Annexure
ଗୋଟେ
4,
page.
my lord.
ଅର୍ଡର ବି ଅଧା ଲଗେଇଲେ.
Order to annexure 4, my lord.
ଆଳେ ଅର୍ଡର ଲଗେଇଲେ ତାପରେ ଗଲା. ଆଉ ପେଜ ଟି କିଏ ଲଗେଇବ? This is not done. You are just filing something with half order. You should have given the full order. What is the order? We don't know what is the final part of the judgment.
This is the disposal order, my lord.
It is not a full order. You have just withdrawn one page. Delay condone. I would come to 27 page. What do you have written? What is there in 27 page? फाड़े लिख ले फाड़े छाड़ देले. Annexure तो ठीक से लगाऊं खाली केस फाइल करवा चक्कर है आपण. We just do it again. I am not entertaining this kind of half bucket petition. Learn the concept of the petitioner to annex the complete order of the SLP number 13627 up to 2021, which has been annexed in Annexure 4. List the matter on 5th September. Log on to it out. That's the time waste. Next.
Item number 4.
4.
Item number 4, Millard, I am sorry, I am here. I think it has been muted. My video has been muted from that side.
Unmute the video. Why mute?
Sobuji.
No, not muted. You are visible.
Actually, maybe there was some technical glitch here from my side. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I had not opened it. So,
No problem.
so Millard, it's a very strange scenario. I am in fact a special class contractor, participated in a global tender that is for the purpose of 6 laning line from Bhubaneswar to Tangi, around 59 kilometers, exactly 59 kilometers, which is a central government project. NHI is the charge of this construction of this road. I am the contractor. Lord, obviously for the purpose of making a good road, people need material. Materials he cannot bring from Chhattisgarh. The gentleman belongs to Chhattisgarh. So that a comfortable road or a pure comfortable road would be constructed in our state. So we not moram, sand, anything that is required. I can't, and that's the duty of the state government to ensure that I get the materials, pure materials, so that the longevity of the road should not be compromised, or etc. The quality of work should not be compromised. Your Lordship knows there are certain busybodies. From my experience, I know. So whenever there is some construction, a group of people come forward to oppose, like the POSCO event. Your Lordship knows that such a beautiful project could not be able to establish it. 2 villages, Jankia and Nuaga. So they stopped the entire process.
In this,
Here, Millard, I have
in this case, what happened? In the particular
Millard, what happened? Very sorry state of affair. I was told that a group of so-called pro bono public spirited citizens, they go to the NGT, get some stricture, get some that
alleging what? Alleging?
Yeah.
What is the allegation against your company?
Against Millard that the Green Tribunal.
No,
It's
no.
a
What is the
tribunal order.
allegation before the NGT?
Allegation, if your Lordship would find, from page judgment I am showing. Let your lordship would find it at page 42. So far I am concerned, I am respondent number 18 in the code below. So your lordship may kindly turn to page 41, paragraph 21.
41.
The respondent number 18, Messrs. Agrawal Infrabil Private Limited, has filed affidavit on 27/2/2023 disputing the findings of illegal excavation of Moram. In addition, it is stated that as per the land records, the plot number 1689 in Patita land, that is wasteland, and referring to the document filed as Annexure 1, page number 45 to the, they have quoted their judgment, affidavits, to the original application which mentions the land in question as reserved for Gramya Jungle. It is submitted that this does not imply that the land in question is to be treated as forest land. Along with this affidavit, deliberations of the GF, FC, I do not know this, I think the Directorate General of Forests, he may be the authority. Agenda number 6 has been filed as Annexure B, page 446 of the paper book. Learned counsel for the respondent number 8 specifically referred to para 7, 8, 9 of the agenda number 6, as also the recommendations of the Forest Advisory Committee, and submitted that it has been held that recording of Gramya Jungle Jogya cannot be stressed to mean that the said land is recorded as forest land, and it has been observed therein that the lands recorded as Gramya Jungle are forest lands, whereas Gramya Jungle Jogya lands are lands identified for future forest growth, such as the plantation purpose, and are not included in the DLC. The recommendation of the FAC on the issue also is that Gramya Jungle Jogya Jamin should not be treated as recorded forest land unless they actually have natural forest growth thereon for the purpose of provisions of Forest Conservation Act. The respondent number 18, Messrs. Agrawal Infrabil Private Limited, has also filed affidavit on 11/12/2022 stating that it was granted permit on 1/11/21 valid up to 1/2/2022 for clearing of ordinary earth and not Moram, and therefore environmental clearance was not required as per the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change.
So in your case,
Notification.
environment clearance was granted.
Yes, Lord, I have annexed everything. Your Lordship will
Where is
kindly
the environment clearance?
Milord, I have annexed it. Your Lordship will kindly turn to page 1 second, Milord. Environment clearance. Mining plan is there. Milord, I am showing one by one. First, your Lordship will kindly turn to these permits. Permits, your Lordship would find at page
This is
60.
final
Five.
or interim?
Final.
Minor Milord. Minor गोड़ी सीमेंट नहीं तैयारी करिवे रास्ता आ सेटा तो मु छत्तीसगढ़ मध्य प्रदेश नहीं पळेनी ना जदी भी किछि एक्सेस हेतिबो that is Milord, they have issued a demand notice to me at page your Lordship
sir,
kindly.
there is a something the section that is provided in the statute for appeal.
Section 22.
Section 22.
No, that is no Milord. If an order is
I have already dealt with so many matters, but
No,
I have
your Lordship
invoked
will
section
kindly
22 and I have just sent to Supreme Court.
Milord, one
That is
judgment
the
I
right
will rely
authority to decide the
Your
appeal.
Lordship is correct. I am not. Just a minute. Let me finish, Milord. Milord, there is a judgment of this honorable court. Noble Aqua versus State Bank of India. It was the order was against the DRT.
I'm
Minor
not,
Justice
I'm not on
Ganguly
that.
and
I'm
Justice
recently
Aiman.
two, three other matters.
No, I have seen your Lordship's judgment also. Jugal
Because
Mishra, I
in
have seen.
that I have just what I have done because this is a case that is a statutory appeal lies and this appeal under section 22 of the NGT Act.
That is correct.
So we cannot disregard the statutory the provision.
No, Milord, that is why I am citing this
Because
judgment. Noble Aqua.
that is also I know so many judgments have been given by
Your
Supreme
Lordship may
Court,
kindly appreciate.
especially
I am
the
answering that point.
MP Advocate Association that judgment is there. But
There is a Madhya Pradesh statement also.
the best course will be to invoke section 22 of the NGT Act and
I am addressing on that only. I am addressing on that only. Your Lordship have understood now. They have all Milord, facts are different. The Jugal Mishra is a government officer. Page 81, your lordship, may kindly turn. Page 81 of the brief. That your lordship would be fully satisfied that it's a glaring example of, I do not know,
No,
I can't say.
I'm not
it's
on that,
abuse
sir.
of
I'm
power.
not on the merit. Merit, you may be a very good
No,
case.
Milord,
I'm not
why I'm
disputing
showing
that.
this, your lordship, may kindly turn to 81. Your lordship may see 2-3 documents only, I also. I'll answer that, Milord, also. This existence of alternative remedy part, I'm conscious of it. And I will address your lordship, noble accord.
Let's address that part first. Maintainability.
Yes. Milord, your lordship have dealt with willful corporation case also. Justice Lakshmanan, willful corporation, 1999 Supreme Court. Milord, I am just 99 Supreme Court. Willful. And noble accord, I think that is 2007. Milord, I will, your lordship may call it tomorrow. I will come with those judgments because your lordship
Okay.
may call it tomorrow.
I'm fixing it tomorrow.
Because my junior is there, Mr.
Yes,
Tripathi.
I
is
have received,
in the
when
court.
you are showing that judgment, also get one judgment. What is the case?
Yes.
That I have passed one
I will
judgment recently.
Milord,
This
I have
order,
seen
that is
that
of course
because-
order.
No, there is a judgment. I am holding it. Your lordship's judgment. Jugal Mishra.
So there
I am
I
holding it.
have detailed why I should
Your
not
lordship-
consider that I have written there.
No,
Okay,
your lordship is absolutely
you satisfy me tomorrow. No problem.
Milord, there the petitioner could not convince your lordship that why this appeal channel should be
No,
ordered.
he fully convinced me.
Your lordship.
Let's see that. Tomorrow, you want to
It is
show me
a-
some judgment tomorrow?
Tomorrow or tomorrow, Guru.
Day after?
Friday, Milord. Right? No,
Friday.
day after is Tuesday, coming Tuesday. Coming Tuesday.
Or coming Tuesday.
I'll be absent for days to Delhi.
Okay, coming Tuesday. You
Friday,
can't
I will not be here.
You can't come back. Be careful. Once you go there, lockdown will be there.
G20, I know, but I'm returning before 6th.
Okay, then it's okay.
6th, I'm
You can address
concerned.
from there, no problem.
No, I'll come physically to Argu.
Okay.
Today, in fact, I have 4-5 matters. So there would be class, so I decided. But after 2 p.m., I'll go to the court to Argu and
No
police
problem.
OPS.
You show me some judgment
Tuesday.
if you want to show me.
Tuesday or Wednesday, any day convenient to your
Yeah,
lordship. next
Wednesday
week.
is, I think there is a holiday.
There is a holiday.
Uh,
Then Thursday, next Thursday.
Thursday again holiday. So 11, should I fix on 11?
11, yes.
11 is fine.
That,
Check your calendar.
yes, 11th, Milord, I am here. 11.
Okay. It's 11.
Item number 5.
Fine.
I would beg your pardon.
Deputized. Milord, may I pray no coercive action in the meantime? They have already instituted
Till
a
11,
criminal-
till 11, no course action. Okay, till
No,
11.
Milord, this recovery part, they have already.
Just simply
Milord,
I'm
that is
saying till 11, no course, till next date, no course action.
still no coercive till next day.
Till next.
Madam, obliged, deeply obliged.
Next.
Beg your pardon, my lord.
I may be apologize, Your Lordship. Item number 54, I have mentioned, I have informed opposite party.
Where is that? Opposite party. Who is it? You don't have any objection?
Yes, sir.
Petitioner, he has filed the counter.
I'll
I
have
pray for a short time.
only 2,
54.
my lord.
54. 25th September. got it.
Obliged.
Okay, next.
Beg your
Item
pardon,
5.
my lord. 244, my lord, that is, that scheduled area, my lord.
Only
Yes,
read it.
yes.
All against.
On the scheduled and tribal areas,
How did you
244,
say, madam?
administration of the scheduled area and
Allowed.
the provisions of fifth schedule shall apply to the administration and control of the scheduled areas and scheduled tribes in any state other than the state of Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura and Mizoram, and the provisions of the sixth schedule shall apply in the administrative and of the tribal areas. The states Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura and Mizoram.
ଆମ ଓଡ଼ିଶା ନାହିଁ ତା ଭିତରେ
If the next six schedule,
କେମିତି ନ ଦେଖିବେ ନା ପଢିବେ ଓଡ଼ିଶା କେମିତି ନାହିଁ କଣ
six,
ଓଡ଼ିଶା କୋଉଠି
six scheduled. ୟା ଭିତରେ କିନ୍ତୁ ନାହିଁ ଓଡ଼ିଶା, ଏଟା ହଉଛି ମେଘାଳୟ, ତ୍ରିପୁରା and ମିଜୋରାମ ଅଛି।
ଭଲ କି ପଢିକି କାଲିକି ଆସିବେ ହେଲା I don't have time to waste on unnecessary things ପଢିକି ଆସୁନାହାନ୍ତି କାଲି ପଢିକି ଆସିବେ ଓଡ଼ିଶା ମତେ ଆସିକି କହିବେ ହେଲା ହଁ ପଢିକି ଶିଡ୍ୟୁଲ କୋଉ ଶିଡ୍ୟୁଲ ଓଡ଼ିଶା ଅଛି ସାର୍ ଦେଖିକି ନେକ୍ସଟ
Item number 5.
My pleasure, Lordship.
5
Here, my lord, insurance company is the petitioner. The main fact of the case is OP1 has,
PLA.
yes, amount has been paid as per the assessment of the surveyor. But they filed a case before the Honorable PLA to recovery of the rest amount, because as per their original bill they have submitted before us is 3,32,000 something, and as per our surveyor assessment is 1,12,496, which has been paid to the financier.
Was there any conciliation before? with
Yes,
PLA?
conciliation that has been shows that conciliation has been failed.
Failed.
Yes,
Then what is the ground taken by this PLA for granting that relief?
that PLA has taken surveyor report is baseless. That is, we have paid the amount as per deduction of the salvage value as well as depreciation value. But as per the Honorable PLA, that you have to pay entire our.
What your surveyor do, the surveyors do, everybody knows it. If a person gives good amount, his claim is suddenly shoot up. I don't think we should
That
interfere.
is,
We should not
uh,
interfere. Anyway, I pass, I'm
notice.
issuing notice,
Fine.
but take it from me, I'm not going to interfere. But I'm
Fine.
part, just
Lord,
for,
simply issue notice.
for formality, I'm issuing.
Fine,
notice.
fine.
Unless you change my mind. You can change my mind, I can. Okay, but generally it is happening.
Fine.
Most of the time, the surveyor go to the place. ଯିଏ ଯଦି ଲୋକ ଟିକେ ଭଲ ହାତ ଗୁଞ୍ଜା ଦେଇ ପାରିଲା ସେଇଠି ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ତାର ଦାମ ଟା ବଢିଯିବ. Issue notice to OP number 1.
Solo period. Requisites within 3 days.
Returnable within 3 weeks. List the matter on 27th September. Next,
Item 6.
6.
On the Mr. Patnaik for the petitioner.
Sam, similar order?
No. The petitioner and the OP number 5 both have applied for the post of Anganwadi worker.
Which Anganwadi center?
That is
Which Anganwadi center?
my lord.
Lukapada.
That is Lukapada, Balangir district.
Which block?
Lukapada under Lukapada Gram Panchayat,
Who block?
CDPO Puintala.
Puintala block.
Puintala.
So what is your
We
grievance?
both applied, my lord.
What is your grievance? Come to
Grievance?
straight away, come to the grievance.
Yes, my lord.
Don't
Grievance
go
is
here
there.
and there.
Subsequently, I found
Who has secured highest mark?
OP5 secured the highest
Fine.
mark.
What is the
And
problem then?
I stood second, my
You
lord.
shoot second. What is the problem then?
Problem because
Area certificate କହିବି ମୁଁ ଜାଣିଛି.
ନାଇଁ.
Next. ନାଇଁ
ଗୋଟେ fake matric certificate ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି
fake matric certificate କେମିତି ଜାଣିଲେ ଆପଣ?
RTA ରେ ମାଗିଲି ତାପରେ because
RT वाला ଜାଣିଲେ
both-
fake କି right? କୋଉ RT वाला ଜାଣିଲା fake କି right ବୋଲି?
ନାଇଁ RTA ଏଟା ଦେଇଛି ନିଜେ board of secondary education.
ଆଜ୍ଞା ବୋର୍ଡ ଅଫ ଏକ୍ସପିରିଏନ୍ସ କହିଲା
Yes, my lord.
fake ବୋଲି କି?
Yes,
ଦେଖି କୋଉଠି ଅଛି ଲଗେଇଲେ ଦେଖି.
Lordship Mercy at page.
This read is not maintainable. Yes.
Lordship Mercy at 19.
Page 19. କଣ କହିଲା?
With reference to RTA application cited.
ପୁରା ତାର କୁଣ୍ଡୁଳି ଖୋଳି
No-
ଦଉଛନ୍ତି.
no such roll number, no such roll-
ଯାହା ତାର matric certificate fake, yes. ପୁରା
We,
ଖୋଳି ଦଉଛନ୍ତି.
we both belongs to same village, my lord. I know that she is not a matriculate. But when she produced the certificate,
Ah,
immediately
you
I
are
applied.
surprised.
I was surprised, my lord. I applied.
I know.
And I found that this is the fake. Because I know that she never goes to school. We both belongs to the same village. So I was sure that I will.
ମାନେ ଏ
I will
page
store
page
fast
କେତେ page କେତେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ?
At page 19.
Page 19.
19 is the reply, my lord.
ଏଇଟା ସେ ମିଶ୍ର ଯୋଉ ଫ୍ୟାକ୍ଟରି ବାହାରିଲା ମନୋଜ ମିଶ୍ର ଫ୍ୟାକ୍ଟରି
I କୋଉଠୁ ଗୋଟେ ତିଆରି କରି ନେଇ ଆସିଥିବ।
ସେଇଠି ମିଶ୍ର ବଲାଙ୍ଗୀର ଫ୍ୟାକ୍ଟରିଟା ଅଛି ନା ଏବେ ଜେଲରେ ଅଛି ସେ।
ଏବେ ସବୁ ଧରା ପଡିଛି।
ସେ ପେଜ କେତେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ?
Page 19.
Page
19, my lord.
19.
With reference to RTA application cited above, I am to inform that no such roll number such and such is found in favor of Pushpanjali Kandar for HSC examination 2008 under BSc Odisha.
So ଆପଣ ଷ୍ଟେପ ନେଲେନି କିଛି?
appeal file କରିବି କିଛି।
ନାଇଁ ଆମେ
କୁହନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ଏହାକୁ ଜଣେଇଲେ?
my lord.
ଆପଣ ଏ ଯୋଉ ବାହାରିଲା ପରେ
Yes,
ଜଣେଇଲେ?
yes, my lord. Page 20, my lord.
କୋଉଠି ଜଣେଇଲେ?
Page 20.
page 20. Before the child development project officer. আচ্ছা ଆପଣ ଯୋଉ RTI reply ଟା ବାଜି ସେଟା ଠିକ ତ ସେଟା fake ନୁହେଁ ତ
ନାଇଁ 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 ସେଟା
ସେଟା ବି ହଉଛି ଆଜିକାଲି
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ଲେଟ୍ ଦେମ୍ ଇନକ୍ୱାରି
ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ will inquire
ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଦେଲି ଲେଟ୍ ଦେମ୍ ଇନକ୍ୱାରି ମିଲର
ଆଜିକାଲି RTI ବୋଲିକି ଲୋକ ଆଣିକି ଥାପା ମାରି ଦଉଛନ୍ତି RTI ବୋଲି ଧରି
ନା ଗୋଟେ
ଦଉଛନ୍ତି
ଇନଫର୍ମେସନ
ସେ
ଆମେ
ବି
ଦେଲୁ
ହଉଛି,
ଗୋଟେ
ଇଏ କମ
ଇନଫର୍ମେସନ
ନାହିଁ।
ଦେଲୁ ଇଫ ଦେयर ଇଜ ଇନ୍ ଡାଉଟ୍ ଲେଟ୍ ଦେମ୍ ଇନକ୍ୱାରି ଇନଟୁ
ଯିଏ ବାହାରିଲା ତାକୁ ସିଧା ଏଠୁ ଜେଲ ପଠେଇଦେବି ଆଉ ଇଏ
ତାଙ୍କ ପେଜ 12 ରେ କଣ୍ଡିସନ ଅଛି ପେଜ ପାରା 4 ରେ page 12 ରେ condition
And
para
one
four
thing
ଅଛି।
here, he has
Para
not,
four ଅଛି।
he has not filed the engagement letter first. Even if the OP was,
now you are continuing who is
No,
continuing
no,
No, I am in the second position. I cannot.
the other person can
Other
continue.
person.
there is no engagement order, and even if
sir engagement order se kodu paiba se pare second ଅଛି
ଆମେ
What are
second
they
yes,
saying?
appeal file କରିପାରିବେ
appeal
ନହେଲେ
file kale engagement order କେମିତି ପାଇବେ ସେ
ନା ଆମେ କହୁଛୁ ପାରା
she had not been engaged
RTI ରେ document person engagement order ପାଇବେ।
କାହିଁକି ଆପଣ engagement ଦେଲେ କାଢି ପାରିବ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ଦେଇପାରିବେନି ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ତ କାଢୁନ
And one thing,
ନେଇକି ଆସ
he has challenged the appointment of private opposite
Fine.
party without enclosing that document first.
which
Second,
document
engagement order.
engagement order ସେ କେମିତି ପାଇବ
ଏସେ challenge କରୁଛନ୍ତି ତାକୁ, challenge,
second challenge engagement ହେଲେ challenge କରି ହେବ
ଆମେ ଚାଲିଛି
even let us.
Because selection
Madam-
process
madam,
itself
see,
is challenging
If selection procedure on, how the writ is maintainable, my lord?
on
Yes,
ସେଟା sorry
result. I have filed the result. Mira. I'm second position.
engagement ହେଇନି ମାନେ
ସେ କେମିତି second ବୋଲି
Second
ଜାଣିଲା
position କେମିତି କହିବି?
that I can say.
selection ନ ହେଇଥିଲେ second ବୋଲି କେମିତି ଜାଣିଲି କୋଉଠି
First-
ଜାଣିଲେ?
The page 13 million. Page 13.
ନା, ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ତ ଟିକେ ନ
Page
ଦେଖିକି
13 ରେ result sheet.
don't give this
ନିଜେ CDP ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଏଟା result sheet.
ସବୁ ଡିଟେଲ ମାର୍କସ ସେକ୍ୟୁର ସବୁ ଦେଇଛି ଆଉ
ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ସେ ଅଛି ଆମେ second position ଅଛୁ।
ଲେଖ the petitioner challenges the selection process
Copy number 5.
the petition challenges the selection of OP number 5 as the selected candidate in pursuant to the advertisement number
Page 9.
number
Advertisement number 59 dated
59 of
3/2/2023
2023 for engagement of Anganwadi worker of Lukapada 1
1.
under Puitla block,
Puintala.
Malangir. Puintala, P-U-I-N-T-A-L, block, Malangir. 11. The petitioner has successfully demonstrated that a document issued by the Board of Secondary Education, Orissa Sambalpur Zone, dated 28/4/2023, wherein it has been stated that the HSC examination of 2008, it says the roll number of HSC examination of 2008 doesn't belong to the OP number 5. In such view of the matter, the authority to verify whether the matriculation certificate produced by the OP number 5 is genuine or fake. If the said certificate is found to be fake, the OP number 5 should be disengaged immediately and legal and criminal proceedings should be initiated against her. This the matter on 4th October. Next,
Item 7.
7.
Yes, my lord. Till date, counter has not been filed in this case.
Very sad,
Counter ହେଇଛି।
right?
ଦେଇଦଉଛି।
Oh, I'll go late.
Today I'm fine.
What? Yeah, we're not given him copy
I have a copy,
just now.
just.
କାଇଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ କଣ ହବ ଏଇ ଖାଲି ଏଇ ଯୋଉ
କାଲି
କୋର୍ଟରେ ଖାଲି
କାଲି ଫାଇଲ ହେଇଛି।
ସେ କେମିତି ପଢିବ?
କାଲି ଲେଟ୍ ଆୱାର
When
ଖାଇଛି
you are giving on the
ତାଙ୍କ ଫୋନ ବି
ଫैसला on the spot, ନାଇଁ?
ଫୋନ ବି
ବା
କରିଥିଲେ
ଏଠି ଆସିଲେ ମ୍ୟାଟର କଲ୍ ହେଲା ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ଆପଣ ଧର ଦେଇ ଆମେ ଫାଇଲ କରିଦେଇଛୁ।
ଆଉ ଦିନ
କିନ୍ତୁ ସେ ତାଙ୍କୁ
କାଉଣ୍ଟର
time
ଲାଗିନି
ଦରକାର।
ଆପଣ ରେକର୍ଡ
That's why I have passed a order within 3 days, before 3 days you have to file it. Nobody, some kind of order from implement होगी। This is judicial order, they have to implement. Tell him. They have to pass a judicial order. 3 दिन आगुरी minimum file करी। कौन है last moment धरे दोषन पढ़िए किंती? क्या हमें पढ़िए को इसको कहीं?
ଆସିନି କାଉଣ୍ଟର ଲାଗିନି କାଲି
ଲାଗିବ କେବେ? ଏବେ ଫାଇଲ ଏବେ କାଇଁ
Just
କରିବ?
fix a short date anyway along with that counter.
This is the matter on 5th. You read it and file a rejoinder if you want to file. Okay.
ଟିକେ ଆଉ ଟିକେ time
How do you?
ଆଉ ଟିକେ
କେବେ ଦରକାର? 11, 12,
11 or 12:30.
12. Okay, 12. Next,
Item 8.
8.
May I plead your lordship? Here the petitioner challenge selection of ASHA worker for Khaliapalli, your lordship.
Khaliapalli
Khaliapalli sector.
district, Balangir.
District Balangir, your lordship.
ଖାଲି ବଲାଙ୍ଗୀର district ରେ ଆସିଛି।
Lordship, as per notice, criteria was that on 10/9/2020, she is to file all the documents before the health worker female Khaliapalli sub-center. But the documents at page 34, that is,
What is the problem? Just come to the problem, straight away come to the problem. What is the issue?
the person who has been appointed was not having the minimum requirement qualification.
What is the minimum?
That caste certificate and resident certificate must have furnished before 10/9/2020. But these certificates have been obtained on 23/9/2020. Yes, your
2020.
lordship.
And the furniture?
She obtained the certificate on 23/9/20, resident certificate, and the caste certificate on 26/9/20. This is the cross of the.
You are appearing for the project party?
My lord, notice not as an issue.
No,
First,
no, just I'm
first
asking. You are
I am appearing on behalf of Mr. BP Tripathi.
No, no, just
from-
selected candidate. Just. You are appearing for the selected candidate.
I am appearing on second read petition.
Another
It will
file, another read has been
Tagged.
tagged to this case. Your
Who
Honor.
has filed? You have filed.
No,
Who has filed?
the present case, that is WBC.
No, no, another it is.
Another candidate.
Hmm?
Another candidate.
Oh, why another candidate? So, the same issue. Same issue. You are appearing for the other candidate.
No,
Petition
I am
appearing for
appearing
NHM.
NHM.
Okay. So, nobody notice I have mentioned. Why?
Here there are 4 candidates.
No.
Yes,
What is saying, you have given the last study to 10/9/2020.
Again.
So he has been issued the.
in second case we have filed
certificate on
count.
23rd, after about 13 days, yet you have considered.
It first
Why?
time I check case ta. In second case we have filed counterfeit where one Ambika Bhagarthi was the candidate, where that Ambika Bhagarthi, her document was not in order, so her application was rejected. So far the petitioner is concerned, she was the ward member.
Who?
Yes, this petitioner is the
Ward
ward
member
member.
can't- ward member.
No, ward member cannot be.
But the question is what, that's fine, that part
Yes.
is good. But the question is what he is alleging.
This part I will answer. I will file reply.
Okay, issue notice to.
My lord, in the second case, we have filed an intervention petition to
You are for?
include me as OP number 6.
You are for the
We
selected
have-
candidate.
Yes, my lord.
So is it true that you have submitted your documents after 13 days?
No, my lord. My lordship may see the intervention petition annexure 1. I filed in the second case.
Just. Annexure 1.
Yes, my lord. Where I am at serial number 1.
No, I am asking a question which you are not answering. My question is, you have obtained your residential certificate after 13 days of the cutoff date. And what is the answer to that? That you are showing something, some form. Form doesn't
application.
reflect, this form doesn't reflect, you have given everything in time.
To my selection statement, my lord, page number 8.
Madam,
where I have
देखो
been
सप्तम
selected at
पास
serial
प्रमाण
number 1.
पत्र मार्कशीट +3 पास प्रमाण पत्र देले हाँ हाँ 10वां पास हाँ +2 पास हाँ +2 पास मार्कशीट हाँ और अन्य रे ना बाकी टा के देबो
सप्तम
हाँ बाकी ये रेसिडेंशियल सर्टिफिकेट पड़ जिवो ना देखि के देई कहि देले हिजबो ना डॉक्यूमेंट देखिबे ना कल देखि दे कहि देले document देखिबे ना anyway you should not then consider the petitioner submit that the opposite party number 5 है
Lords.
the opposite party 5 ताको ये कर लेकिन कभी अपना पार्टी के बन लेकिन
I have met party, your lords.
Met party
Yes.
intervention
The
का
selected candidate I have met party.
intervention का फाइल कर
No, my learned friend asking in the connected application, your lords.
oh
Which one be?
A3 कर
In the first case, I have been made as a party as OP number 6, my lord.
anyway you just answer my question next on next
Yes.
खाली कहले हबनी मु दे दिछि बोली you have to show some document how you have given
Residential certificate.
आपण जो एबे देखिली जो चेकलिस्ट रे सबुतरे हां 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 बाकी रे किछ नहीं डॉक्यूमेंट ही नहीं
I invite my lord's kind attention to page 35 to kindly have a look.
just let me issue notice the petitioner जे the petitioner challenges the selection of the OP number 5
Number 6, your lords.
OP number 6 na 5
6. I was also a
as
candidate.
Asha worker in respect of village Khaliapali, district Balangir. The grievance of the petitioner is that the selected candidate has not supplied the residential certificate and caste certificate before the cutoff date. In fact, she has supplied, submitted it on 23rd September 2022, is it 20 and 29?
Yes, 26/9/2020.
26/9/2020.
But 26/9 is the last date of verification. 26/9 is the last date of verification.
10/9 कहले अपन
Nine.
Yes, your
our
lords.
counter
Annexure
second
one.
case.
run the counter move advertisement देखी sorry move
Annexure 1, page 12, your lords.
last date को देखी
Annexure 1, page 12.
last date को
एतद्वारा जनसाधारणको अवगति निमन्ते जणाई दिया जाउछि जे निम्न योग्यताधारी प्रार्थी निकटठारु खलियापाली गाँव पे आशा चयन
10
निमन्ते
ना ठीक तो
दरखास्त
कहछन
It is extension.
10 ना ठीक तो
Second case we have filed counter 26/9.
no ये काउंटर जे बनेछि से तार गंजे पीकर बनेछि अच्छा जानि परलानी 10 न लास्ट डेट पर 10 न
देख
10 दिन भितरे पुडी लिखिछि अर्थात तारीख 10 न 2020 पुडी लिखाइछि आउ केते कंफ्यूज आउ
जोटा
क्लैरिटी
26 नो रे अछि that was for scrutiny and inviting objections. That is also at annexure 2, which my learned senior.
26 तो पळिछि ना
Yes, your lords.
एटा 26
ना 26 हेले भी that was on the date
scrutiny
for
scrutiny देबा पई न त
ना that was for
scrutiny
scrutiny
not
and
for
objections.
submission
Yes.
by chance आपण कोन डाउट थिला कोन थिला scrutiny
Yes. Annexure 2 of this.
scrutiny दिन आपण सबमिट कला हबनी सेटा रॉन्ग
Exactly.
अगर टाइम पूर्व देबे ना कोडे क्लैरिफिकेशन दरकार कोडे कोन एनीवे देखो इशू नोटिस टू ओपी नंबर inside the matter
Your lordship, 1 to 3 and 4 my
1 to
senior
1 to
friend
4
and-
1 to 4 learn consider the state Mr. Moon waves of notice
two.
for OP number 1 to 4 1 to 4 and 5 you are
5
for
and
5
6, 5 and
My-
6 I will sort by
Two,
post.
two. Opposite party no copy sir.
after 5
Opposite party now 2.
OP part no 2 की
NHM.
oh sorry NHM अलग concept
Fine.
okay 2 टा लगे what is it
On behalf of Mr. BP Tripathi, Narayan Bari, BP Tripathi,
Mr. What is your name?
Narayan Bari.
Narayan Bhai. On behalf of SBI. Then 1, 2 dash 1, 3 and 4 we should notice. Good. Then 5 where is 5 actually?
5 and 6 I will sort by 4.
You are Madam Patna, you are for
OP6.
OP6. OP6 is better. Give a copy. This S Patnaik, we have some notice for OP6. OP number 5 may be served through registered post. Where we try to do working with from today. This the matter on 27th September.
Of next.
Okay.
Big time. First you call it on 12th of September,
26.
12/9.
26 now. State opposite party.
State is there.
Okay. You file the counter. So 12 September.
Sir,
12 September.
Lord, one matter is not your lordship board. The matter which was listed before lordship on 27/7/23 twice it was listed but could not reach because of the paucity of time. And then your lordship on my mention directed to list it next week sometime. On 27/7/23 last it was listed, but it could not. It is not able to be listed.
Okay.
This is 352-295. It was there before your lordship 2-3 days. But
Next week.
next week.
Next week, do one thing. First September.
I may also pardon my lord.
Pardon to mention my lord. Item number 55 or my lord. I'm going to this for
55.
last item.
Who is the opposite party?
Opposite party is state.
State. No problem.
No problem.
Okay. List the matter on 4th October.
No, my
Huh?
lord.
ସବୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ହିସାବରେ କଲେ କେମିତି କରିବେ ଆମର ଟିକେ ଆମକୁ ବି ଫ୍ରିଡମ ଦେବେ ନା ଆଉ 4th.
I was very much.
Just a minute. Yes, sir.
As it appears, your lordship is taking up 2-3 matters at 2 p.m. and some other matters at 3 p.m.
Yeah, today 2-3 matters have been fixed.
My item is item 10. Up to 9, your lordship, up to 8, your lordship have gone.
Item 10.
Item 9 is my.
9.
No.
Oh,
I don't have any problem waiting.
but you want some other day?
Tomorrow, day after, as your lordship pleases.
It will come after this matter. If you are there, okay, no problem. Tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow Friday.
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 My lord.
Item number 33 to 35. Last occasion, he served me a copy of the counter. I had taken time.
33.
I get 33 to 35.
33.
It has.
Who is the opposite party?
Opposite party. Yeah, last occasion, your lordship directed to file a small version. Okay. I have already prepared 1 week time.
Okay, 1 week time. This is the matter on first September. Article 11.
Yes.
Yes.
My lord, so I have mentioned the matter, not only lordship.
Yours is at 3 p.m.
2 p.m. and another matter where there is urgency, same regarding that redemption of mortgage. I'm ready to pay the entire thing. They have given me.
Sir, one thing, as far as I was just checking, actually that should go to the DV because it is after post surfacing. Post surfacing always it goes to DV. So actually I should not pass any order. That's why I was checking there.
So where I am ready to deposit, there is no difficulty.
No,
Here the problem
I am
is
not on that merit, sir. I am only on. It should be heard by a division bench. I can just refer it to Chief Justice. You can assign the reference.
yes, your lordship may do that. 44.
I'm for the option 14.
I know.
Your Lordship may just indicate one thing. Your Lordship's indulgence. Your Lordship may only say that the petition is ready with the option number.
Option procedure.
Item 10, my lords. Item 10.
The other matter was mentioning, let it be listed tomorrow.
Which one?
Another matter, same.
Tomorrow urgency.
Urgency 1st September, they have.
Same thing, na?
Same thing, but it has to be listed then.
Lord, item 10, instruction regarding genuineness of the address of the petitioner was called for. That was not there, may I pray, Friday or next week, any day.
This is criminal revision.
No, item 10, bail.
10, sir.
Here the person wants to change his address. Entire address is UP. Now
Yes.
he's saying I'm man of Bihar. So we have called for a report from Bihar, but we have not received.
You have got received it? No.
We need, yes.
They have sent, but my.
You have not received, na?
No. No.
Ready? So, Lord Constable State Service that since the order was, since the. It's one time to.
After it.
Nothing else. Earlier than.
Date may.
13th.
Okay, early.
How early get there?
3 years in
So,
custody.
eyelash 3-year custodial crime kala ada pacharthile mate. Bekar kotha guda kohujani. Moge bete time lagani Bihar ru asibo. That takes time sometimes. Because they will have an inquiry can this slow chale system janna thi. 2-4 din re kon hai jauchi 3 barsh roilani au 3 din roile kon pai.
13.
Pardon, my lord. My lords, leave your lordship. My lord, item 55, 4 October रखिले. Let the matter come second week of September, your lordship. Because only मोटी hospital.
4 October रखिले.
4 October आपण रखिछन हुजूर. Second week रखले बोलथांदा. क्या बोले only graduation material टा last chance we here my lord is already here. 15
ଆପଣ ସବୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଇଏରେ ଯିବ ଗଲେ କେମିତି ହେବ ଆମକୁ ତ କିଛି ଲିଭ୍
I cooperate my lords. I cooperate.
ଆପଣ
छोटिया matter 2 minute ଲାଗିବ
ଅଲଗା ଯୋଉ ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ଏଇ ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ଛାଡି ବାହାରେ ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ଆଇ ଡୋଣ୍ଟ ନୋ ଏତେ ସର୍ଟ ଟାଇମ୍ କେହି ଦିଅନ୍ତିନି ମିନିମମ୍ 3 ମାସ ଦିଅନ୍ତି 3 ମାସ 2 ମାସ ଆଉ ଆପଣ 4 5 ଦିନ 10 ଦିନ କେତେ ଥର ଆପଣ ମେନ୍ସନ୍ କରିପାରିବେ
ଥାର୍ଡ ରୁ
ସେମିତି କିଛି ବହୁତ ଅର୍ଜେଣ୍ଟ କଣ ଅର୍ଜେନ୍ସି କଣ କହିଲେ
urgency gradation list ଆପଣ ଶୁଣିଛନ୍ତି
Gradation list
ସେଟା
urgency
ମାନେ
କଣ
urgency dispose of ହେଇଯିବ ସେଥିରେ only 2 minutes I will take your lord printing ଲାଗି
ଅର୍ଜେନ୍ସି କଥା କହୁଛି 2 minutes କଥା କହୁନି ବହୁତ ମ୍ୟାଟର ଅଛି 2 minute ଡିସିଜନ ହେଇଯିବ
my lord only
urgency I'm asking
already printing cover your lord
let it come for 15 कर दे
Pardon, my lord. Item 20.
सर ଏମିତି ଚାଲିଥିବ ମେନ୍ସନିଂ ଆପଣ ଚାଲିଥିବେ
Mr.
କଣ?
Mishra is my lord, some other.
who
Mr. N.K. Mishra senior advocate. I am
15
20, my lord.
Huh?
Item 20.
ଆପଣ ମାନେ ଆଚ୍ଛା ସେ ଆଇଟମ ଆସିଲା ବେଳେ ସେ ଫିଗର କଥା କହିପାରିବେ ନା ନାଇଁ ଟିକେ ପେସେନ୍ସ ନାହିଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ବସିବା ପାଇଁ ଟିକେ
Some matters, my lord, fix my lord 2 p.m.
କାହାର ଆପଣଙ୍କର
ଆପଣଙ୍କ
ତ 2 PM ଫିକ୍ସ ହେଲେ ଆପଣ କହିବାର ଅସୁବିଧା ଅଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ମ୍ୟାଟର ଆସିବନି ଏଇଟା ଆସିବନି ଭାବୁଛନ୍ତି ସେ ନା ଆପଣ ସେଥିରେ ସେମିତି ହେଲେ ଆପଣ ସକାଳେ ସିଷ୍ଟମ ଅଛି ମେମୋ ଦେବେ ସକାଳେ ମେନସନ କରିବେ ଆଉ ମନ ଇଚ୍ଛା ଯେତେବେଳେ ଇଚ୍ଛା ସେତେବେଳେ ମେନସନ କରିବେ ହେଲା ନେକ୍ସଟ
Your Honor, may I
କେବେ
mention?
କେବେ ଦରକାର
third week, my lord, third week of September.
ଅପୋଜିଟ୍ ପାର୍ଟି କହିଛନ୍ତି
No, appellant, my lord.
ଅପୋଜିଟ୍ ପାର୍ଟି କହିଛନ୍ତି
No, ଜଣେଇନି appellant.
କେମିତି ଜଣେଇବେନି ନ ଜଣେଇକି କେମିତି ହବ ସବୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ହିସାବରେ ଚାଲିବ ଆପଣ ଜଣେଇବେନି କାହାକୁ ସେ ଆସିକି ଜଗିଥିବେ
No, ନାହାନ୍ତି ସେ online ରେ
ଏବେ ସିନା ନାହାନ୍ତି ପଛେ ବସିବେ କିଏ ଅପୋଜିଟ୍ ପାର୍ଟି କିଏ ଅଛନ୍ତି
ସେ online ରେ କରନ୍ତି Mr. Sangnarian. Yes.
କାହିଁ ସାଙ୍ଗନାରିଆ ଦେଖାଯାଉନି not available okay you take it consent talk to him call him okay we'll see next
May I mention that?
okay next
Item number 46.
46
Matter, your lordship.
46 na you got that document You got the document?
The document to the nahi.
No, no, I am asking you, have you received the document?
No.
Then how do you know that the person Kalia or Alia?
Nahi, what
They can
will now decide.
Can they janive?
They have filed the counter, my lord. They have filed the counter page 43, your lordship can see. It is written by Kalia. They must have filed it by looking to the original. Now they have misplaced. 43, your lordship can see.
Proceeding initiative.
43.
43 in the counter filed by the state, CDP. There are all documents are there. And it was filed before the ADM also here reflected in the order. Voter list fila. A village village committee basic objection at that time nobody raised objection. Neither the aggrieved party who had filed approached the ADM. He has also stated in the appeal memo that he had objected. Lordship, I see the appeal memo. The only ground he has taken against me is that he is not a resident. My voter list is there of 2012. Your Lordship,
Upon survey report filed before one perusal of the said survey report, it indicates that there has been overwriting in respect of the name of the father-in-law of the present petitioner.
Which is why my
Name of the father-in-law of the petitioner is Kalia Pradhan. While in the overwritten survey report, it is written as Ralia. That's the.
Which
and
is
your
why my
Lordship,
lord
I see
wanted
the
the original report.
Take one.
So
Your
original-
Lordship, I see the annexure.
But you don't have original, na?
Again.
Then why I am saying original?
I was saying my lordship called for that.
If original is not there, with what I will come.
Which is why my lord now we have decided to initiate proceedings in CDPO
No,
because
say-
that is
say,
not
my lord,
basis.
6 years, my lord. Enough is enough. All collectors are liable for contempt. All collectors are liable for contempt. I will come to that one.
Now, who's
What is the order? The order is to give back within 6 weeks by November.
who is running the show now?
Because all, my lord, your lordship, I see the order,
Which
last
party?
order.
I'm the.
Rob, please.
Vote for President. I'm the
18th,
contesting
2000.
opposite party.
No.
Right.
Now nobody is holding post.
No.
Yes, I am continuing.
I'm immediately in the fastest possible manner.
I am continuing.
The moment CEO, I was selected and joined, I was working. And the moment appeal is there in the electronic speed, got me out and now she inducted. And your lordship can see from the date of day one order. Because we wanted the situation, matter is small, wanted to dispose of, your lordship can see the order dated 18/1/2016. Because of the non-cooperation of the state from the very beginning.
16.
Yes, and your lordship can see, in view of that, your petition can be allowed in view of the counter filed by annexure A/4 for a moment, your lordship can see. Here it is clearly they have filed the document Kalia.
First of all, I don't understand, sir, why these kind of cases takes years together, 6 years, 7 years.
Because
It's only 2
non-cooperation of the
minutes.
state.
It will take hardly 2 minutes. Only your one counter, one regender, 2 dates, maximum 3 dates. Unnecessarily, is just languishing.
Because petitioner has no case. That is the.
I don't, there's no case I will decide. If you have to decide, then why I have
No,
come
I
here?
will not decide.
Then
Petitioner
why are
has
you
no
saying
case.
no case? Maybe
Yes.
case, maybe having a case is arguable case. How do you say that?
So बाकी जो सिलेक्ट करते हैं सब ना अफीमो खाई के सिलेक्ट करते हैं मते.
Anyway,
Your lordship can see A/4 for a moment, my lord. The counter
Let my
Please.
friend finish, I will.
just he's a petitioner.
That's
Just allow him.
Yes.
that
You
goes
please sit
follow-
down there. Please sit down.
Can I finish this?
Let him continue. You please sit down. I'll just.
Yes.
This I'm not going to give much time. Hardly 2-3 minutes. Not much.
Your lordship can see
No,
the
not more than 2 minutes. Both of you.
counter filed by OP
Yes.
number 4.
Yes.
That is state.
Unnecessary time.
When it was available with that document, they are given the annexure. The true document annexure A/4. In the counter filed by OP number 4.
A/4.
Page 43. They have stated clearly Kalia Pradhan, my father-in-law's name, which has been interpolated in the subsequently, which they saw the ADM, they did not find the name. But the state has filed and he has admitted in the counter. And in view of this and the record selection, the voter list is there. Village committee, nobody raised objection in the while selecting in the village committee. Nowhere. And the only because interpolation is there, he found that he is not a resident of the area. And they have now filed the clear document. This document is not saying that someone is a manufacturer.
Today you are
State has
saying,
filed.
today what document you are passing?
My lords had called for the original records plus the survey report. Now, original record I have got, but the survey report is not there. Which is why despite 2 so-called notices, he was not able to.
No, original record, which record? The whole
The survey report, annexure A/4.
Survey.
Okay.
Why is this survey?
ସେଇ ଯୋଉ annexure A/4 ଟା ଯୋଉଟା attach ହେଇଛି ତାର original ଟା my lord had called for. That original
don't have
is not available.
So if they say that it's not available right from the beginning, so this.
Then this is to be treated as original.
Yes,
What
this
to
should
do?
be treated because they have
At
filed
that
it
time
with
you have
affidavit.
taken from original, na? After
Yes.
subsequently it is missed. There is something.
Now that now when the original records were called for and we look for that, it is not received.
Okay, understood. Sir, you want to say something?
And the entire order sheet you will file from
I've seen.
this plea or that plea, they have.
If like you were saying
Yes.
within 2 minutes, not I'll not grant much time.
Last-
You have already
Last
argued a lot.
three occasion, my lord senior has argued.
You focus on the case, not on the
Yes.
senior.
Your Lordship may kindly come to the affidavit filed by the CDPO, opposite part number 4, internal page 3.
Hmm. Yes, that we have.
Paragraph 8.
You have shown me.
Yes,
You
paragraph
have shown me
8.
last occasion, sir.
No,
Don't repeat. Don't
then-
repeat.
no,
If anything extra to be told,
Yes,
please.
then next para,
Hmm.
next para.
Yes.
It is further submitted that the original of Annexure 5 to the present requisition is not available in the records
Hmm.
of the office of CDPO,
Hmm.
Birmarpur.
Correct.
Same CDPO who has filed the affidavit. It is further submitted that since the original of the survey list dated 1/11/12 was not available, therefore the selection process was initiated on the basis of survey report dated 14/12/2012. There was a survey report, authorized survey report. Your Lordship may kindly to my additional affidavit filed on 22/8. That is in your Lordship's order. Record.
Additional affidavit.
Yes.
Who has filed this?
I opposite party 5.
What about, what is the new facts? they have
Yes, new fact. Paragraph 8, page internal page 3.
Have you produced this before the appellate board? Appellate,
This has at the
just,
outset.
I'm asking, sir, one
Yes, yes,
question.
that
Please
I
answer
reply.
my question.
Yes.
Don't- Have you produced this document before the, whatever the facts is presented here, before the appellate authority?
It was not necessary
Why
because.
not necessary?
Here, Archana, kindly give me a hearing. It was not necessary because the present petitioner did not raise the issue of overwriting before the appellate authority.
Okay.
Now, for the first time, she is raising here.
Okay. Next, any
Yes.
other point?
Paragraph 8, page 3,
Hmm.
internet. Your Lordship kindly that in reply to amendment made in paragraph 8 of the said affidavit dated 3/1/2023, this deponent humbly says that the notification number 147 dated 26/3/12 inviting application in respect of AWCQ village Sentuli Mahada Bhangamunda. The service area of the AWCQ was Harijanpada, Bhangamunda, Sudarshan Chetty, Panchanan Chetty, and sector supervisor ICDS Srimati Lakshmipriya Mishra was authorized to prepare the survey list of the said AWCQ area, that is annexure E/1. That survey is 1/11/12. That is the authority. Then next. Then accordingly, the sector supervisor ICDS Srimati Lakshmipriya Mishra conducted the survey of AWCQ service area, village Tentulimanda, Bhangamanda, and so on so. Consists of 82 of houses with total population of 402 persons, and which starts from the house of Sansara Pradhan, serial number 1 to serial number 2, Ananta Pradhan. The said survey report that conducted by the sector supervisor in respect of AWCQ area form the basis of finding of the Lawrence ADM.
Okay. That's all?
CDPO, no.
What else?
Next is right.
What next?
Next.
Show me.
Accordingly, Lawrence ADM was passed, was pleased to help that Srimati Kavita Vishal is not a resident of the service area, Tentulmada Bhangamanda, which is then you are after next page. In this context, it is humbly submitted that during the pendency of the selection process pursuant to the advertisement dated 26/3/2012, this then CDPO published another notice. You lost me.
Please go on.
Another notice for the said AWCT area, village Kantirimanda, Bhangamanda. Then and invited application by notification number 9/11/12.
Okay.
First one was 26/3/12.
Hmm.
The service area of the AWCT area, village Tentulimada, was changed and reconstituted. Subsequent
they issued advertisement. In that advertisement,
At the time of selection, was there any the question of reconstitution?
no,
Then subsequently what happened?
No.
I'm not concerned with that.
no. 1412, what my learned friend is showing the list. 1412 is the reconstituted survey report.
Okay.
Then you are also can see.
Okay.
Yes.
That's all?
No.
What else? Oh, kitchen I can
Gone on night and night
Say it as a report.
The High Court.
Last occasion say it.
High Court has
Just-
said, this honorable can your lordship can let it place, your lordship, it is up to your lordship. Deleting one from what happened, the service area of village Nepuri Moda was changed and reconstituted by deleting one from house of Sudarshan Shetty and adding village Puttisai in order to favor the petitioner.
Okay, thank you.
Then the present opposite party number approached this honorable court by WPC number 22A487/2014 and the order dated 21/11/2014 was passed, restraining the CDPO not to issue the second advertisement. No fresh advertisement can be issued and selection process should be continued as per the advertisement in 26/3/2012. That is in page number 5.
Okay.
I have annexed. And
That-
also I have annexed the order.
That's all?
Then now in paragraph 8 of the CDPO's affidavit, she has categorically said that in the absence of survey report dated 1/11/2012, the appointment was made on the made in favor of the petitioner on the basis of 1412. 14/12/2012 is the reconstituted village. Then another thing your lordship may understand. My lord and senior vehemently said that petitioner's father-in-law's name, Kalia, is listed, is found in 14/12/2012 list and also showed here. Your lordship may kindly see. If that has been interpreted or overwritten, then your lordship may kindly see the family member shown in 1/12/2001, 11/2012, that is survey report, and family member shown in 14/12/2012 are quite different. Here 14/12, 7 numbers family members and 1/12, the original one, which is missing. Missing means the CDPO has taken and
Okay.
shared.
Anything else?
The 1/12/2012, the family member is 5.
That's all?
Yes,
Okay.
that's all.
Order is up.
And I have given the
Order. Okay.
survey note also, your lordship, and
Yes.
with some citations.
Please.
Already in your lordship.
Madam, only 1 minute, 1 sentence. My land friend say that I did not raise in the appeal.
Yes.
I will raise the appeal, I will object to the memorandum, what is there in the memorandum of appeal, or I will raise something beyond that.
And CDPO, the advocate represented the CDPO has category said that the appointment of the petitioner was improper.
understood,
Now how
sir.
can he
I
change the view here?
Understood. Okay, order is up.
Yes.
Ground of appeal, I have to, it's at the ground of appeal only. He only said that I'm not there and I have given enough
I'll
evidence.
And it is
I
not-
got
it is a court of, it is not a court of appeal. I have to
Okay.
reappreciate the
Okay.
evidence here.
I understand.
So citation I have given you.
Please. Whatever citation is.
Yes. I will do this.
Next item.
Item 11.
This is 5 minutes, 2 to 5 minute matter. That should not be given
Yes.
much time. That's why 6 years, 7 years, the appeal is pending because of this. Merrily hearing the matter for months together. This doesn't help. These are all small issues. Next,
Item 11.
11.
May I please? This case, my lord. For the status report, my lord. In the meantime, three of the co-working personnel granted bail. And the one petitioner is concerned, my lord. Earlier application rejected by the Honorable Court on the ground that Mongoli Jenna, my lord, implicated the petitioner. And this only put direct
Hon'Ble Jana is a witness.
witness, my lord, witness.
What is-
Mongol
what
Jana,
is- what is it? What does it say?
Mongol Jana already been examined, my lord. In evidence, my lord, he not supported the case of prescription. I have given the copy, my lord.
You have been in custody since?
My lord, custody since my lord 19.
ମୋ କୋର୍ଟରେ ନା ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ କଷ୍ଟଡି କେବେଠୁ ଆଉ ଗାଞ୍ଜା ଥିଲେ କେତେ କିଲୋ ଗାଞ୍ଜା ଦିଟା ଇନଫର୍ମେସନ ଦ୍ୟାଟ ସଫିସିଏଣ୍ଟ ବାକି ଅଧିକ
20/9/2019
20/9/2019
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଦେଲି ସେ
ମଙ୍ଗୁଳି
ମଙ୍ଗୁଳି
ଜେନା
ଜେନା କଣ କହିଛି
ମଙ୍ଗୁଳି ଜେନା ମନା କରିଦେଲା ତା
okay granted.
Apart from my lord, there are a number of eyewitnesses to the occurrence.
ମଙ୍ଗୁଳି ଜେନା
It's a case of clear case of murder and
ମଙ୍ଗୁଳି ଗଲେ
sword
2019
ଆଜ୍ଞା 19 ରେ ଯାଉ ମଙ୍ଗୁଳି କହିଲେ 3 ଜଣ ଗଲେଣି
direct evidence in this. They were right murder କରିଛନ୍ତି by and this
Galeଣି,
petition
ତିନି ଜଣ
has
ଗଲେଣି
killed by means of sword.
ତିନି ଜଣ
And that was also recovered from his possession.
ବାକି କେତେ ଅଛି
no, my lord.
No,
Same,
this,
I'll say it's all, my lord.
no, this petition is first assaulted by Mr. Sword and other also assaulted. But here there are a number of
the
eyewitnesses.
basis on which you have
Rejected,
My lord, he is not the only sole eyewitness. There are a number of eyewitnesses to the occurrence.
Which
And
are
they are
the
yet
other-
to be examined.
which are the other eyewitness?
Yes, I am placing.
What's the other eyewitness? So out of 34 have been
My lord.
let him go. You do one thing every Monday you go and
And there are two criminal cases pending against him.
How many?
There are two cases apart from this case.
What kind of cases?
ସେ ଆଙ୍କରି ଗୋଟେ କଣ୍ଟ୍ରୋଲ ଆଗରୁ ହେଇଥିଲା ସେମାନେ ଆଙ୍କୁ ମାରିଥିଲେ ଆଙ୍କର ଯୋଉ one of the injured ସେମାନେ ମାରିଥିଲେ ସେଥିପାଇଁ କଣ୍ଟ୍ରୋଲ ହେଇଛି
It's
subsequent
involved in Manchester PS case number so and so 307 and other offences and
He will-
Manchester PS
He
case
will appear before the police station.
ମାର
307.
oblige
ଏତେ ବର୍ଷ ବିନା trial ରେ ରଖ।
ଆଜ୍ଞା
Next.
Item 12.
12.
May I please over? Before submitting my case, my lordship, my last occasion direct.
Quantity.
Yes, my lord, the compilation of
Kete?
all the judgments, my lord.
Okay, very
The
good.
lordship, may
Very
kindly
good.
see. This is judgment.
Get it.
All the since Husianara Khatun to till date, my lord. All the
Husnara Khatun
no,
is
because
different.
that lordship is said.
I have put NDPS.
Yes, exactly. NDPS myself.
Husnara Khatun is not NDPS.
No, my lord. Husianara Khatun to till date. All the NDPS case, I have a compilation, my lord. Lordship is. Now, my lords, today I am filing.
What is the quantity?
Yes, quantity, my lord. I have custody. My lord, the
I am asking quantity.
921 kilo, but
921
yes,
kilo.
my lord, but a
Custody-
confessional statement.
Custody.
12/7/2022 that has not been arrested on the spot, my lord, after 2 years of registration of FIR, my lord. That is, my lord. Let's see.
Madam, there are 11 cases pending against this person,
No.
including NDPS.
Yeah.
920. After 2 years.
Anything else? Yes, my lord. No. My lord, the comprehensive affidavit I have filing. What my learned senior is raising the
Yes,
question.
11 cases
Criminal
pending.
antecedent is
Sorry.
concerned.
11 cases.
All the cases I'm in bail, my lords. Only 2-3 cases
Maybe.
except my lord.
But,
The Lordship, no. Lordship, my kindly.
NDPS case
No,
also they are
NDPS case, that
barred.
is the confessional statement. It is not admissible in the evidence
just
at all.
Just a minute, just a minute.
Yes.
In all those cases, this is what kind of cases?
Cases, my lord, the
NDPS.
yeah, no,
NDPS one.
NDPS one case, my lord. The other cases are there, my lord. Other cases I have given, my lords, the chart. My lord, it wasn't reflected in my lordship, may kindly see the. Yes,
He
my lord,
granted
page
bail in all
21,
cases.
page
Yes.
21.
He's been granted bail in all.
Yes, all the cases. I have
Wow.
compilation with my lord. Lordship, I have given the detail.
So, what are the cases I'm asking?
My lords, lordship,
What
may
kind of
kindly,
case?
yes,
Is it
page
NDPS or
21,
something?
page 21.
Sure.
Lordship, one by one, I place, my lord. Page 21, my lords. The first is Unavida PS case number 44, that offense under 341, 323, 34.
Let me
Oh, acha, eta rejection order achi, 21 page.
Let me ଦେଖି ଦେବା।
Yes, I
IPS ର ସବୁ ଦଫା ଲାଗିଛି।
CD will speak louder than anything else. Yeah.
ଏଇ ଯାହା ସେମାନେ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ମୁଁ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଦେଇଛି comprehensive act। କୋଉଟା 341, 323, 34, 294, 307
22
ଆଜ୍ଞା
22
ଆଜ୍ଞା
22 ରୁ ଏତେ ଜଲ୍ଦି କେମିତି ଦେବି? ବର୍ଷେ ବି ପୁରିନି।
No, no, Lordship, may I kindly see the the confessional statement.
Ah.
After 2 years of, the FIR was registered on 27/7/2020. The against the 10 to 15%, those who have not been arrested. And in the meanwhile, 4 persons have already released on my Lordship, 4 connection
4%
forces.
didn't have that,
Yes.
the 12 case antecedent.
No, Lordship, they are also persons also antecedent. Lordship, may
Kete
kindly
tankar
support
antecedent
it.
kete
Aja thila, bahut gure case thila tankar nare. Same similar set of cases.
Kete?
Aja tankar 7-8 10 enti ka nar
ଏମିତି
thila.
କହିଲେ ହବ ନା ଦେଖିଲେ
ମୁଁ ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେମିତି ଅଛି ସେ criminal antecedent ଅଛି remanded all the remanded millers. Lordship, may one order I'll show to you. Lordship, I'll want to show millers. The miller, the page 48.
This man was, I mean, he must have actually gone somewhere.
Miller confessional उठे नहीं चंदा को.
Ah.
Confessional नहीं चंदे. Confessional. Some basing upon the Kuwaki statement.
ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ border cross କରିକି ଲାଗ କିଏ ଧରିବ?
No, ସେମାନେ truck ରେ ଧରଲେ
ଛତିଶଗଡ଼ ବି ଅଛି, ଏଇଟା ଆନ୍ଧ୍ର ବି ଅଛି, ଯୁଆଡେ ପଳେଇଲେ
No,
ଚଳିବ।
ସେମାନେ they what is the prosecution allegation manner?
This is
They-
Patangi,
yes.
Sunabada, this all, that
Yes,
side.
10 to 15% planning for the transporting the ganja. That is the allegation. Not arrested any of the from the spot.
You are
Millard.
planning to transport the ganja?
That is the allegation, Millard. Yes, prosecution allegation. Lordship, I permit to place the
Let's see
allegations
what
first.
is the-
Millard.
how they are
Yes.
transporting.
Yes, Lordship, I see the page 12. They have stated in the FIR.
12.
12, page 12 of the my brief, Lord. That's it. That second paragraph. The I so and so that information detention seizure list ganja to verify the veracity of the information.
Your name is?
Well, my name is Manu Duria.
Manu Duria.
Yes, my Lord, information regarding illegal possession of transportation of ganja by more than 10%, namely Manu Duria, so and so other persons are there, Miller.
Who are the other person? Who will
Yes,
be granted bail?
Annexure 4 series, Miller. Annexure 4 series start from page 48. 48 Mullers. 4 persons are already released on bail.
Granted.
Mullers.
Similar level by just because the cases are so cases are bail by.
Your may direct let him appear with,
Yes.
within each and every week before the police.
Total कितना ये जी?
Again, 4 persons have been.
नहीं, total कितना witness examination?
Written, no trial has not been started. Not been commenced.
Little. And if condition ये बाहर ना ऐसे local. Waka ना?
Again, एक कोरापुट address देइछि मु. Page 1, मतलब the कोरापुट. सुनाबेड़ा PS under सुनाबेड़ा PS.
Great, okay. Next.
Item 13.
13.
May I please? Lordship, I'm in custody since 21 January 2020.
So many offenses. POXO,
Yes.
SCST.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Limited, that the company is making profit.
What is wrong in the order? Tell me first.
Wrong in the order, my lord?
Which part of the order is wrong? Show me that first.
My lord, kindly have a glance to the annexure 2 series I have filed, my lord.
No, first show me the wrong part.
Because
of
they
the
have
order.
suppressed the material fact before my lord.
What matter?
There is a lot of order passed by this honorable court
I
in
know
respect
that.
of this.
I know that.
And they are not paying, and now they are showing this that the company has gone into liquidation. You will
I
not pay.
have I passed anything which is going to affect you?
Yes, my lord.
I have not passed anything which is going to affect
These
you.
employees-
On lecha is order.
These employees are not the secure creditors. First, they will have to go for the secure creditor, then the employees. Employees for last 10 to 15
Show
years.
me which part of the order is wrong. Show me that first. Then we'll see other thing. When you're saying your order is wrong, you have to show the wrong part of the order. Which part of the order is wrong? I have considered all aspect of that while hearing that, and I don't think that, and your employees are also there on that. Somebody appearing. What is the wrong part of the order?
My lord, the order which was.
No, tell me which part, which line is wrong, show me first, then I'll see.
To take this paragraph 9, my lord, because they are a profit.
Paragraph 9 what? Which part, which line? What is wrong? Tell me. What is wrong in that order? At this juncture, learner.
Consider the above fact, the paragraph 10 also, my lord. What is
Yes,
that?
let me read. At this juncture, learned counsel for the official liquidator points out that unless statement of affairs of OCD is handed over to him within a week, he may not be able to take over the position. Considering the above petition, Odisha is directed to hand over the shares of the company and allow the official liquidator to take over the position of the shares and property of the company in accordance with proceedings. This is same in accordance with law. What is wrong in this?
And the meeting has also not been convened by the.
So you whatever you have given, just read your grievance there.
Because my lord's own order.
I have not passed any conclusive order, sir. I have just said official liquidator shall convene a meeting of the financial institution, secured creditors and its employees with period of 2 weeks from today. He will call the meeting, whatever you given, you just put for the.
Now in the other proceeding, my lord, in the.
I have given opportunity to all to just you go and have a meeting with the official liquidator and whatever grievance you just discuss. Kadam. I have not passed any conclusive order here.
My lord, what they are doing now, the company.
No, whatever
they're trying.
Have you approached him? What did you tell them and what was their your reply?
My lord, there is a lot numbers of
just saying
judgment.
Sir, just a minute.
Let me submit my lord for 1 minute.
Just saying is not sufficient. You have to.
My lord is directed.
Substantial grievance.
Yes, my lord. My lord has directed to pay this area salary.
I have not said anything. Where have I said it? Did I?
Yes, my lord.
Where is that?
My lord, have a glance to the page 17 of my petition.
Your petition, I am not.
And ordering.
Show me in this order. Where have I said?
What the company is doing, my lord, they are showing this order and try to this. My lord, by virtue
show
of
me which paragraph of the order that is wrong. That you show me that unchanged. That's fine. Not just saying is not sufficient.
No, I'm not saying what they are doing with the court of law. That is I'm submitting. My lord,
see, come to para 11. What is the order? See, your employee
officer, liquidator,
everybody, you approach that and you discuss there whatever you give.
There is no meeting.
The official liquidator. You must have called meeting. How can they not call meeting?
The meeting,
If you don't attend the meeting, then how can you are for, madam? You are for.
The meeting, the minutes of the meetings are.
Lordship, myself, Deputy Official Liquidator.
So you have not called the meeting?
Lordship, the meeting was convened. Meeting was even carried out on 11th of July. It was attended by the secured creditors.
Secure creditor only.
And you are
employees.
Employees. What about employees?
They had not attended, my lord.
You have given notice? Have you given notice?
It was given to the secured creditors only.
No, I've said, and it's employees, secured creditors and also employees. They are also stakeholders. How can you just not issue notice to them? Give them notice, reconvene another meeting and just try to issue their grievances also. See that what are the grievances and how they can be addressed. Take that. Because there also, I have in my order, I have said it's employees.
It is there.
Yes,
It is there.
Yeah. So you just call them also. Because they are also part of the stakeholders. Secured creditors will be there, definitely. But these people also issue what is the issue, what are the issues they are raising, according to how that can be resolved, then find out.
Yes,
Okay.
Lordship.
So I'm not passing any order. Simply I'm saying just the official
Lordship, permission, may I submit, sir? Regarding.
Say something, madam.
Lordship, in this matter regarding the ex-employees, because all are the ex-employees, the issue is regarding 58 to 60 years. Regarding the superannuation period. For the court has directed to pay till the age of 60 years, considering the age of 60 years. Against one order is challenged by way of writ appeal. Which is also pending yet to be listed because ODCL is in the liquidation, Lordship. So that's why I think it was not proceeded further. And regarding the another order, the file was put up to the cabinet for taking the appropriate action because the earlier orders was taken by the union cabinet minister. So court says that this order is not appropriate, so you may take the appropriate order. So the matter is sub judice before the cabinet for taking an appropriate decision through the cabinet.
Sub judice before? Sub judice before whom?
Before the cabinet, lordship.
Cabinet before, how can it be sub judice? It is court of law, that is sub judice, not before cabinet.
No, lordship, matter
How
is
can the
pending.
cabinet, something pending before the
Yes,
cabinet will
lordship.
be called sub judice?
Matter is for the, for submitted, for taking the decision before the cabinet, lordship.
Cabinet, something pending before the cabinet is not sub judice, madam.
No,
Something
lordship, it is
pending
not
before the
sub
court of
judice.
law, that is sub judice.
Yes, lordship. Sub
Then
judice,
why
we
are
are
you
not
sub
saying.
judice?
Matter is sub judice, it is.
This court is not
Which
going
is
to
yet
wait
to
for
be
the
listed.
cabinet, what the cabinet will decide. You challenge the cabinet decision. If anything goes
If
wrong.
it is passed, lordship.
I am not going to wait for the cabinet decision to pass any order. I will pass order depending on the.
Lordship, I think there may be a.
You are for whom? You are for whom?
I am appearing, lordship, for Indian Drugs and Pharmaceuticals. I am also a shareholder in this company.
You are the
51
stakeholder,
shareholder.
you approach the official liquidator, she will take care of that.
Yes, lordship.
Yeah. Please, whatever grievances you have, you please approach her, then she will take care of that. I have just simply passed the ball to her. She will take care of it. Don't worry. Now my job is over.
The lot of judgment of this honorable.
अरे judgment पढ़ले तो कहते हैं सब प्रकार अच्छे पढ़े
With respect to the employees of the
I
Odisha,
am not.
to pay their dues.
You approach her. She will give you
Let her convince a meeting.
she'll convene. She must be convening periodically.
Yes, lordship, we'll convene.
Okay. Rana Kalsipada, sorry, what is your name, madam?
Trupti Sharma, lordship.
Additional official liquidator?
Deputy official liquidator.
And she submits that the grievances of the applicants shall be considered in the meeting. And they will be sufficiently noticed before the meeting is convened. We sufficiently notice them before the meeting is convened, so that they can have their.
Lordship.
Next.
I is disputed matter.
So you, whatever grievance you raised before, she will take care of that.
Lordship, obliged.
Next. 15.
Item 15.
15.
May I explain, sir? I beg
Yeah,
to appear for the applicant respondent.
But he is appearing in person.
Yes, Lord.
On my behalf of them.
Now you have changed your this.
No, they are better prepared to apprise the court of what's happening in the Supreme Court.
What happened in Supreme Court?
But that is still pending.
Huh?
Still pending. They just filed a dummy filing. I will get a diary number. You have to understand the timing of filing. You have to put the matter for hearing on 3rd, and they have filed this itself on 2nd of August.
No, the last day, on the last date it was already filed.
That too,
On the last date of listing, it was already filed. I have checked it. I have checked here only.
Yet to be registered the SMP.
Maybe they may not have cleared the defects. Or defects is not.
Last order that because of the SL dependency of the SL, we will have to give them 2 weeks to get the order, and now it is more than 2 weeks. Mr. P.K. Rath, counsel for the SL and submit that since the specially petition is pending before the Supreme Court, it's likely to be decided within 2 weeks. And that is the 3rd of August. The order is the 3rd of August. Now we are at the end of the August.
Have they cleared the defects? You are not clearing your defects.
Yesterday, I got the information that they
Yeah, because the matter is listed today, you cleared the defect yesterday. For the last 2 weeks, what are you doing?
My lord, only Supreme Court is taking the urgent matters.
No, sir, don't tell me. I have come from there. Don't tell me all these things. You tell before somebody else. Once you clear the defects, the matter will be immediately listed, not urgent matter. Don't say this. Now 13, 14 benches are sitting. Don't say this.
Matter of war record that made up the even on Sunday.
If I can make a prayer, madam.
You have not cleared the defects for last 2 weeks. 2 weeks you have not done it.
Lord,
Had you cleared the defect, it would have been already listed and it would have been hard.
Let me take, Lord. Let me tell you, Lordship, Lord. I have the instructions to same, Lord. Lordship may give me 10 days time. In the meantime, everything, whatever will happen. 10 days time.
So that I have given last time.
I know,
that's certain.
but still
Deliberately we
I
have not
can make
cleared the
only,
defects.
I can only make a prayer.
Deliberately the defects are not
Yes,
given.
Lord, yes.
Had you removed the defects, the matter would have.
But 3 days back, the defects are already cleared 3 days back. That's what the instruction.
Then that must be. Which is the listing date then? Which is the.
Kindly see, we got the instruction right now.
हाँ मैं देख लूँगा अभी भाई.
Sir, आपन को पारी होगा.
Show me the number now.
नहीं.
Tax number was 3107.
Just a
No,
minute.
I have just handed over a paper, sir.
Sir,
The
they are.
status of the paper.
आज ही ना.
Yesterday, last night.
मैं देखिएगा content फिर आज.
You will see.
Sir,
And yet to be registered, my lord.
we will do it. Lakshmi, give us 10 days time. In the meantime, if we are not able to get it
The
done.
question is the person. See,
I know. No, let me tell one.
See the conduct, my lord.
Let me tell you, Lordship. No. What are you speaking about conduct? Don't speak about the conduct. We are
Not
fighting
your conduct,
litigations.
your client
Don't
conduct.
speak about the client's conduct. We are fighting litigations. Litigation is a procedure. We are doing that one.
In fact, I am also part of that litigation.
If you would have been the client, you would have lost the litigation. We are fighting the litigation. So, my lord, Lordship.
Just a minute. What is the number?
31078.
Just a minute.
Diary number.
Just.
Yes.
Cases under defect list valid for 90 days. So your filed on 2/8 SLP number not yet given.
Tomorrow it will be number. My lord. We are getting information through WhatsApp. It will be registered tomorrow SLP number.
No, there are still 4 defects you have not removed yet.
Some
Tomorrow, how can it be listed tomorrow?
No, it's not.
not listed.
No, even number, unless you, there are 4
Lord,
defects still pending.
they are working hard on this. Lord,
Ah.
we cleared defects 3 days back. That's
4
what we,
defects, index incomplete, matter to be rechecked. Council has filed letter of rechecking following defects are notified.
Lord, give us little.
Volume 1 not filed.
Give us little time.
Man prayer to be given properly. Prayer भी ढंग से देना है
आगे देई नथि कोन. अच्छा
prayer
prayer.
ढंग से लिखना है
ये आगे हड़बड़ रे फाइल करचंती एठी जो
बड़े
pressure.
आपण बड़ बड़ ऑफिस फाइल करछन एते भूल करी
ये जो प्रेशर होची
हां प्रेशर कोन आपण 15 डेज आले
से
प्रेशर
हमको
हम तो
breathless
आउ
करसेले.
सो इवनिंग रे आस्तला सकाळू फाइल हिंदी प्रेशर भी भेल
आगे से
प्रेशर दे आपण करिबे ना
ठीक है टाइम देंता है कर.
4 defects still there.
So we'll do it, Lord. Give me little time. Give us little time.
ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ 10 days time ଦଉଛି 10 days ପରେ
ନହେଲେ that is
time
peremptory.
ଦେବେନି straight away I'll pass on.
Lordship may make it peremptory.
And so it may be indicated in the order, my lord.
या पहला आपन सार को एते डिक्टेट करंतु सार करते जानछन.
Applicant. Sorry, applicant.
We are for the respondent.
Applicant respondent.
I am appearing an instruction of Mr. Das.
Give a small memo of appearance.
Appearance memo is given. The order planning should be ordered. आज याला किती तारीख आज याला किती तारीख 30 हो नहीं 15 सितंबर ही उस पर 10 days but she is fixing to
this matter.
Can it be blood on 18 18 as the last
18 as
18 as the last
18.
But in fact, you lordship has made it clear, if the scope of 34 and 37 is limited, and you lordship understand the
my lord,
scope of 136.
34 37 limited, what will happen?
Let's see the last chance.
Right.
After I have written the last chance. If it doesn't I'll pass everybody along that day.
Grateful.
Grateful.
Next.
Item 16.
My lordship, I am appearing for the opposite party. On 21st July, you have given the order to give us the notice.
What is the petitioner?
Notice
my
before
prayer
2nd
for-
August, but the notice we got on 19th August. And regarding the writ, we received no copy of the writ. How can we file the counter?
About the Bank of Maharashtra?
Yes, sir.
The Bank of Maharashtra is still there?
Yes, sir. It has opened many branches in Odisha.
No, I'm not saying, because after the many merger, is it not?
No, sir, it is standing.
It still stands now, that's what I'm saying.
Well, what has happened in the meantime?
So you give a copy to him, otherwise how can you?
It
We have
is-
filed the requisites. I'll give a copy by tomorrow.
Now,
The party is cunningly has given.
you give
two
a
checks,
copy.
Not clear till.
Give a copy, list the matter after one.
My lord, yesterday
Sir,
we have paid
keep it-
7 lakhs rupees to the bank.
Okay, you give a copy.
Check copy का clear नहीं है, sir.
You give a copy.
Sir,
By the
keep
time
it
check will,
after
by the
20
time
days
check
at
will
least,
also be clear.
So meantime, they should not take any coercive action.
किसी पास करी
No, no,
I
no,
said,
pass-
you
give
will
the-
go as per the surface yard.
मुंह से सरफेस में किसी को
Surface, we have paid for a regularization of the account. Total outstanding amount was 11
Sir,
lakhs.
regularization only.
Please let me submit.
11
11 lakhs 65,842. Out of which yesterday we have paid 7 lakhs rupees. We have paid more than 50% of the amount.
This check is still
And my
presented,
prayer
not
is now.
cleared.
My prayer is now.
check has been cleared.
No, sir.
Today it might have been clear. It was handed over to yesterday them, and it has been cleared.
Sure.
Let him take.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm
Yes,
fixing the Monday. Monday. Take the
Sir,
instruction.
takes us some more time because I am
Okay.
suffering from fever and still I am present here. Sir, give some more time. And sir, how can the past dues will not be clear and he is asking for the present EMIs? Is that possible in banking?
That's why I'm not saying anything. Just you 5th rush.
And my instruction is
5th
that
rush.
5th September.
4th rush.
my
Let it
instruction.
come on 4th.
My instruction is
what,
that
sir?
the petition.
4th September.
हाँ.
So you are telling the same date.
Some date.
हाँ, अब Monday बोले फिर Monday बोले.
Monday कहाँ है? Okay. Monday.
Sir, give 11th September.
11 rush.
Then till then, my
Thank you,
lord,
sir.
that should not take any
No,
action.
I'm not.
And my instruction is that my lord, my client is ready to pay the dues under the
पूरा दे दूँ ना ताले?
OTS से देवा पे राजी हो चुका.
OTS तो विशाल OTS मान.
We have already paid. We have already paid 7 lakhs.
OTS is basically a sacrifice.
Yes, sir.
For every case, they will sacrifice. Why should they sacrifice for every case?
Yes.
They will sacrifice a very sincere person by something
Yes, during
because
the
of some problem. He is not. They will sacrifice, but not for everybody
My lord,
who is a defaulter throughout.
The account was NP in the January 2023.
You regularize it.
And that's why,
2023.
yes, 2023.
Pay. Why did you pay
paid,
then?
we have already paid 7 lakhs of rupees. The rest of the amount we
that's
want
not
some
your picture.
concession.
Let him take instruction. I don't know what is the amount. I
Yes,
don't
sir.
know. I'm
It has
hearing only one
just
part.
given
One
yesterday,
part
sir.
of the story. Second,
Yes.
the other parts of
We have
story I
got
should know.
nothing, sir. No read.
Let's give a copy, then you will
Thank you,
take
sir.
it.
And the total outstanding amount is 11 lakhs as per their own notice.
Let's see. Let him take. Someone elaborate कितने हो चुके देखते.
हाँ, sir.
As per the 12th January 2023, outstanding
So why
amount.
don't take it? Just clear the entire dues. You are again asking for OTS.
Sir, some steps are mandatory. Bank has to take. Otherwise, they will tell that they have not.
Then I am not passing any order.
Yes,
I'm
sir.
not passing any order on
And let him take the about the clearance of the
Yes,
checks.
I'll take it.
Okay, let him take instruction. Okay, next.
Thank you.
Next.
Item 17.
17.
Your Honor, am I audible? Am I audible, Your Honor?
What is the
I'm
matter?
appearing for-
But WCR can just.
I'm appearing for WCRL
What is the modification?
2023. Your Honor, may I be allowed to say?
Your voice is not coming clearly.
Your Honor, am I audible now?
Yeah, what is
Am I audible now?
what is the modification?
Your Honor, this was a sudden listing. May I request for a date on 5th of
Modification
September?
after so many months.
Your
Why
Honor,
didn't
it
you
was filed right the day after the order, but it was not taken up. So I'm just requesting for a date on 5th of September because I'm not prepared to date for the sudden listing in your honorable court.
Okay, 5th of September.
Thank you. Much obliged, Your Honor.
5th, let it come on 11th September.
Your Honor,
11th.
11th I'm not there, Your Honor. 8th to 13th I am
not there in town, Your Honor. Kindly be given on 5th or 6th, Your Honor. It will be very kind of you.
Fifth.
I've been urging for a certain urgent listing. So
Fifth,
either
fifth.
4th or 5th
Fifth.
or 6th, any day. 5th will do, Your Honor.
6th is a holiday here.
5th, Your Honor.
Fifth. Okay, fifth.
Much obliged, Your Honor.
Item 24.
24.
24. What is the matter?
3 PM fix.
Huh?
18 टा?
नहीं नहीं एटा 3टा बेलको फिक्स ହେଇଥିଲା
ଏଇଟା ଯୋଉଟା କାଲି ଥିଲା ଯୋଉ ଫିକ୍ସ ଥିଲା 3ଟା ବେଳେ
Anganwadi.
ନାଇଁ ଅଙ୍ଗନବାଡି ଯୋଗାନ ସହାୟକ
What is the matter?
ଗୋଟେ ପାସ୍ ଓଭର ସିନିୟର ଇଜ କମିଂ ଗୋଟେ वन पास
I don't know what to say.
24.
ସେଟା ଗୋଟେ 3 o'clock କୁ ଫିକ୍ସ ହେଇଥିଲା ସେଇ that extra optional subject matter
Yes.
they filed one miscase.
What is the miscase about?
Saying that graduation mark sheets. What kind of I could not understand from that. I have filed a reply saying that I have original mark sheets with me.
Which is your eye, sir? Which is the eye?
my lord that is 133 that is filed on 25th my lord
So what is the eye for?
340 of CRPC my lord
340 of CRPC to initiate prosecution against me. I have not filed any false evidence in this honorable court. If at all any document is filed there,
Only one
input
pass
authority,
over.
how is it mentionable here? Asile. Asile.
What is 340 of CRPC? Why is it filed?
I'm filed a quota. On the face of it, it's made out, my lord, in the affidavit itself, in the writ application. May I take my lord, forget about this, my lord. My lord, may I kindly take the writ application? Paragraph 4. Paragraph 4. I assume that Lawrence Fred has finished his argument. No. I don't know. In fact, I'll have to now make it. Then if you let him argue, I'll respond. Kindly see.
I have already heard enough.
Yes.
Only 5 minutes both sides. Not more than that.
Yes. Kindly see.
I have already heard.
My lord has already given me 10 minutes.
5 minutes sufficient. Sir, this can be, which can be actually concisely argued. Now that is more penetrative than lengthy argument.
No, I'm not interested in lengthy.
Your friend has argued. Here I have given earlier 2 occasions. He has already argued. Unnecessarily same thing should not be repeated.
No, I'm not.
Only
I will not ask.
points.
I'll not argue anything that my learned friend has argued. My learned friend has finished. Let me finish then. Let him reply. Lord, kindly see page 42. Page 42.
42.
Page 42. I was placed at serial number 1 on the basis of these marks. 10th, plus 2, plus 3, 1142. Plus 2, 388. 10th is 398. 395.
So what is the problem there? What is the?
I'll tell you.
They are saying some fake something.
I'll tell. Lord, this 395 plus 2 HSC mark was without extra optional. It was correctly taken into account.
Without extra optional?
Yes, it was correctly taken. Initially, it was.
This is without extra optional?
This is without extra optional.
Okay.
Now, plus 3, they wrongly noted 1142. They wrongly noted 1142. He made a complaint. He filed a writ petition, then it was a complaint. Then inquiry.
What was your mark actually?
Then kindly see page 53.
Plus 3.
Yes, page 53. Now, while calculating matric mark in the revised list pursuant to the inquiry, they took the extra optional into consideration, which in my lord's opinion is wrong. Extra optional has to be deducted while calculating percent. If my extra optional is deducted, then I'm 57.54 in the matric. Now, plus 3, your lordship may see, now hue and cry is raised about plus 3. Plus 3, the authorities themselves have corrected. They wrongly took note of my mark. Now they have corrected is 1059 out of 1800.
So after that also you are.
Now, if my extra optional is excluded from the percentage, then I will be serial number 1. If it is included, I will come down. This is the only point. So far,
if it is included, will be?
I'll be second. I'll come down in the merit list.
Why?
Because extra optional once added, my percentage
that should have given more mark.
No. Because in view of the total marks secured in the extra optional, that reduces my mark. Percentage comes down.
Okay.
Now this my plus 3 mark
because of out of.
Yes.
Out of.
Yes. Out of. Now plus 3 mark, whatever is in the second list, they have never questioned.
They have never questioned anywhere, nor they have filed their writ petition. I am the petitioner before my lords. If at all they are aggrieved by +3 mark or any certificate or any selection process, they could have questioned it. They have never questioned. Now, when this particular limited scope is only metric percentage, they are now trying to expand the scope of to +3 mark. I have not filed certificate during selection process. My certificate I have given.
Here for the Jugan Sahayaka, the qualification is metric.
No, my lord. Qualification is 3. Lord,
+3.
+3. They will take 30% from metric, 30% from +2, 40% from +3. এইটা আছে লেখা আছে 53 এর লেখা আছে দেখুন
So up to this is up to you have to have graduation in the
yes graduation I'll have to have graduation.
Okay. Then so now if it is added together, what is your percentage?
My percentage is 57.41.
57.19.
19 they have given me 57.7. If extra optional is deducted, then I am coming to 57.41. Am I clear, my lord?
Okay.
Now this +3 issue was never raised. They never questioned anywhere. My mark is 1059. I have my original mark sheets. Kindly see, my lord. It is 1059. What problem is in the second year, one subject I was failed. Back paper I cleared it. In the one paper I secured 38. In the back paper examination next year I cleared it by 51. While calculating, my fail mark was included with that pass mark. So it came to 1142. But they corrected it in the second revised list.
Okay.
Kindly see these 3 original mark sheets, which were filed at the time of selection as per their own statement. Kindly see these 3 marks.
What I want to bring to
Kindly
mind, it was not filed.
Kindly
That's
see.
stating.
If not filed, you could have challenged that in the High Court.
No, I don't have to challenge it.
Right. Kindly see this.
I have nobody to challenge.
Kindly see this. Because I was selected. I was selected. Therefore, you could have challenged it. Kindly see this original mark sheet. And this is the total 1059 is in the revised list. They are trying to make a moral out of a mole unnecessarily. Obfuscating before the court, man.
Okay.
This is what the point is.
So that's all? That is the only issue.
Yes,
So,
okay.
yes, please.
My lord, can you take, first take my lord paragraph 4 of the writ application.
Paragraph 4.
4.
Yes.
It is respectively submitted that the present petitioner, after going through the advertisement at Annexure 1, when found eligible candidate immediately within the time stipulation period of, my lord, may kindly take this date, my lord, very important, 28/1/2016. In enclosing her educational qualification documents, application to the authority which was found to have been present petitioner has passed matriculation so and so year, securing so and so, passed +2 in so and so, and 2012 388 from 700 55.42. The petitioner also passed her degree course, securing 1059. My lord, may kindly see, I have given the affidavit, their own application form, which is before my lords in a memo, but I have filed an affidavit also today. Yes. My lord, may kindly take this. Their, and not my application, their application. First, I'll take my lords to the, first I'll take to page annexure 10, G10, page 19. First one. My lord, kindly see the advertisement. The last date scrutiny of the marks will be held on. My lord, it is that R. That is 3, 1, 2, 3 from the top of the second where it begins. Badamohuri. Yes, Badamohuri, and it is dated 2002-16.
What are you showing?
I am showing that on the date when he filed an application, my lord, he had not annexed, he had not given the +3 marks. First three.
From this advertisement, what do you want to show?
I want to show that the last date for scrutiny was this. My lord, may kindly see that. And thereafter, my lord, the clarity will come, my lord, in the next 2 pages.
their application form, their declaration, and my lord, their next page, my lord, is a letter of theirs. My lord, may I read it because it I humble due respect so and so that I'll submit my +3 certificate, enclosed mark sheets in form, and surely submit.
This is yours. This is yours.
Theirs.
The Sangeeta is yours.
Theirs.
Your candidate.
Yes. And so, my lord, she writes on this particular date, I need 1 month time to give the certificate of graduation. So at the last date, which was in the previous date, my lord. So on the due date, she was not, should have been thrown out that itself, my lord. On that date. Because that is the date on which. See, my mark sheets are attached. That's on, no, mark sheet is not attached, my lord. Why did she give? Why did she give this? Yes.
Just a minute, sir.
By the form.
See, under that date, mark sheet was not annexed.
No, mark sheet was annexed and mark sheet of 2. Mark sheet was not.
How do you know that?
My lord, I have got it from RTI, my lord. Yeah. RTI, my lord, mark sheet, my lord, may kindly see. It is third year is not given.
Let me ask the government.
Third year is not given.
Let me ask the
Mark
government.
sheet was attached, man.
Huh?
Attached. It was attached.
Mark sheet-
Because in my counter affidavit, I have also categorically mentioned, my lord. Kindly have a glance to page 5.
RTI thinks the government is saying that they have
Attach the
RTI
entire
no.
plus 3 marks. My lord, I will leave my mother. I should be thrown out right now with cost. My
So
lord,
how do you know, sir?
my lord, his own application.
Just one thing.
My lord, his
Sir,
application.
Sir, how do you know that this is not attached? Because of RTI.
Man, no, my undertaking is given by her and it is not complete. My lord, may kindly see.
What is that?
She is passed later. My lord, may kindly see. Page, what is the page, my lord? See, Lord. Yes. I enclose. Let me finish. I was not disturbing you when you were arguing. I'd rather not argue if my lord can.
Let him come.
Very unfortunate.
Please sit down.
Yes.
Please, everybody should accept Mr. Das.
Yes.
Everybody should. Please sit down. Please sit down. Please. This creates unnecessary disturbance. Yes. Yes, Mr. Please.
My lord, I filed. She has not annexed this.
Not submitted +3.
Yes.
Board certificate.
Yes.
I have produced respect. So I beg to state that the pass +7 and my board certificate not issued by the institution. So when was the board certificate issued, Mr. Board certificate issued?
2012 it has been issued.
When was
My
the
lord,
board certificate
my lord,
issued?
may kindly see the previous page. He himself writes that 2012 second year marks she is given, not the third year marks.
This advertisement was to the year of which year?
2016. She had not given her marks and therefore given that undertaking, my lord.
So when was the certificate issued by the board?
That my learned friend will be able to say.
Kebe? He has given undertaking, na?
সেটা মো অরিজিনাল রেকর্ডটা মগেইবি
এইটা তাଙ୍କର original ନୁହେଁ ବୋଲି ହବ?
না না ମୁଁ ମଗେଇ ଆମର ଅଫିସ ରୁ ମଗେଇ ଦେବି ତାଙ୍କୁ ପଞ୍ଚାୟତ ଅଫିସ ରୁ ମଗେଇ ଦେବି ସେ ରେକର୍ଡଟା
My lord, the Sarpanch is so very simple. Sarpanch is supporting Sarpanch does not come. Sarpanch insists that she should be appointed. There is no interim order. Dehors the fact of no interim order. I was not even appointed.
Let.
I was not even appointed. Dehors the order.
1 second. Mr. Dutt, yeah, one thing.
I'll clarify, Lord. I'll clarify the cloud.
You have not submitted the
I have.
board examination.
I have. Kindly see the
But why
affidavit.
have you written this?
Yes, that is the mark sheet, my lord. I have written that I'll submit the board certificate, but mark sheets are attached. Kindly, 1 second, Mr. Das. Kindly see my.
I have written board certificate.
Board certificate. I have written board certificate. Kindly see. I enclosed my mark sheet by the form. Mark sheet. My lord, kindly see. My lord, my
board certificate. Why you have written board certificate here? Then?
Lord, certificate and mark sheet are two things.
I know the sir certificate.
Right.
I have also studied.
1 second. Kindly see the state's counter, my lord, para 16. Kindly see, my lord. If I have not attached the mark sheet, how can they get 1059?
Sir, is it mark sheet? Is it the question? Question is not mark sheet. Question is board certificate is also
So
required.
board certificate I have given an
Board
undertaking.
certificate is also required or not?
Right, my lord.
Required.
Board certificate I have
That is
given
also
undertaking.
important document.
Right, my lord.
Then that was not given.
I have given a mark sheet which shows that I have passed.
Why are you again saying?
Right.
I am talking about board certificate, not mark
Board
sheet.
certificate, my lord, I have given
Board
the
certificate
undertaking.
you have when
Yes,
when
my
have
lord.
you given?
That can
that's
they
the
can see.
question.
That they can see.
I will call, your lordship may
Find
call
out
for the entire record, madam.
When was, got the entire record.
Yes.
Got the whole record.
Yes,
Concept of the state to get the whole record pertaining to the selection process of the, what is that?
Lord,
Jogan Sahayak.
they have never questioned my selection.
Why is he afraid?
Jogan Sahayak.
Nobody is afraid. Nobody is afraid. We are making decisions.
Jogan
on that.
Sahayak and what is their name? Gram Panchayat? Bada Mahuri Gram Panchayat. Under Commissioner.
And also the inquiry report, original inquiry report, my lord.
An inquiry report?
Yes, inquiry report where they threw her out.
Inquiry report for?
For inquiry report found her to be have defrauded and therefore she was taken out.
Also the
That is the challenge.
Also the inquiry report. By inquiry report by?
By the BDO and collector and someone else, my lord, 3-4 people. That's an annexure, my lord. Original
Please write the name of
Lordship may indicate inquiry report concerning the post that will end up there.
clarity as well.
Annexure B by 10. Government counter.
By
B by 10 of the government counter. Our counter affidavit. B by 10.
By whom?
By us. We have filed that.
OP10, OP10.
OP10.
By OP10.
Yes.
Inquiry report by OP10.
Filed by OP10, B10.
No. I'm asking, sir, who are the inquiry
Yes.
inquiring officers? Inquiry by
Yes, my lord.
video commissioner.
By the additional magistrate, my lord. Your lordship may say ADM.
ADM.
Okay, additional district magistrate. You get the everything.
Copy of the
List matter 11 as.
11th of September, my lord.
11 everybody is okay?
Yes, I am.
Or anybody traveling?
No
I'm
travel.
there on 13th before my lords.
11 you are here.
13th I'll come on 13th, my lord. 12th. I'll come on 13th, my lord.
So when do you want?
13, 2 o'clock to 2:30, whatever time.
13.
3 o'clock to 13th.
Okay, 2 o'clock. 13. Next.
Item number 18.
Last
18.
occasion, your lordship had set it for mediation, my lord.
What happened? Anything?
Mediation पर ना तो हिगला तारा ये करते हैं।
Sorry, solve ହେଇଗଲା? Very good. कोई report କାଇଁ? Medicine
report ଟା ଏଥିରେ ଅଛି file ରେ ଅଛି।
ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି?
file ରେ ଅଛି, ଆମ ପାଖରେ।
File କରିଛନ୍ତି?
ନାଇଁ, ଆମ ପାଖରେ ସେ report ଆସିଛି ସେ
Mediation report।
ଦେଖିଲେ ଅଛି। ଅଛି। ନାଇଁ, ଏଟା ଦେଖି। ଅଛି ତ? ହଁ। 15 ଦିନ ଭିତରେ ଫାଇଲ କରିଦେବେ, ସେଠି ଫାଇଲ କରିଦେଇ ସରିଯିବ ସବୁ।
So this is what?
Domestic violence case रे।
No, this
Domestic
is filed for what?
my lord,
This case is filed for what?
against the interim maintenance, my lord. That is confirmed in the appeal, my lord. That is subject matter charge, my lord.
Pursuant to the order of this court, dated pursuant to the order dated 23rd June of 2023, passed by this court. The matter was referred to the mediation center of this High Court. Accordingly, the mediation report has been submitted by the mediator. Wherein it has been, wherein the mediator has stated that the mediation became successful. Where is the report?
ରିପୋର୍ଟଟା ସେଗୁଟା
ଏଇଟା report,
ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଆଉ କିଛି ନାହିଁ ଏମିତି ଖାଲି
ଏମିତିଆ ରିପୋର୍ଟ କରନ୍ତି
ହଁ ସେତିକି ଖାଲି କର
ହଁ
ସେତିକି
ଆଉ କିଛି ଲେଖନ୍ତିନି
ଆଉ କିଛି
ରିପୋର୍ଟ ସେ ରିପୋର୍ଟ କରନ୍ତି
ରାଜି ହେଲେ ଦି ଜଣ ରାଜି ହେଲେ ବୋଲି
ରାଜି ହେଲେ ବୋଲି ଆଉ ଟିକେ ଡିଟେଲ
ସେତିକି,
ଲେଖିବେନି
ତାଙ୍କର
କଣ
ତ
ହେଲା
ପେଜିକିଆ।
ସବୁ ଲେଖିବେ ଖାଲି ରାଜି ହେଇଗଲେ ଲାଇନଟା ଲେଖିଦେଲେ ହେଇଗଲା medicines and the parties are according to the parties are directed to approach the which
family court my lord family court Cuttack my lord
family court Cuttack
for their mutual divorce
for mutual divorce and the family court Cuttack shall take up the matter pass appropriate order hello dispose of next
19 my
Item
lord,
19.
19 my lord instructed directed to take instructions on whether there is a vacant post of group D employee any department. That instruction I am yet to receive. Need some time.
State takes some time to find it. This takes time for one thing. This is matter 14. Next.
Item
Be
20.
pardoned, my lord. That item number 9 was adjourned by the other party of that reproduction. My case was the leading case. I was not been informed.
यही तो
मैंने
प्रॉब्लम है
किया
सर ऑलवेज लोग आके ले जाते हैं
2 PM भी mentioned.
हाँ?
Dita would mention.
because I have made a serious
Sir,
allegation
एक-
about
एक question. एक तरह रखा है जी तीन दिन कथा रहा
ମୁଁ ଟିକେ ସେଇଦିନ ମନରେ ପକେଇଲେ ଆପଣ ଟିକେ ଏଇଟାକୁ କହିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
ଆସିବ ତ ସେଦିନ ଆଉ ଯିବ କଣ ଏକ ତାରିଖ ରଖା ହେଇଯିବ ମନ କଣ ପକେଇବ
ଇଣ୍ଟରିମ୍ ଅର୍ଡର କିଛି ନାହିଁ ଆକୁ ଦେଖେଇକି ସେ ଗୋଟେ କରିଛନ୍ତି ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ଅର୍ଡର କରିଛି ବୋଲି କହିକି ଆମକୁ ଡିପ୍ରାଇଭ୍ କରିଛନ୍ତି ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ ମୁଁ ଚ୍ୟାଲେଞ୍ଜ କରିଥିଲି ସେ ମୁଁ ଆବସେଣ୍ଟରେ ଟେକ୍ନିକାଲି ମେନସନ କରି ନେଇ ପଳେଇଲେ ଆଉ
ଆସନ୍ତୁ ଏକ ତାରିଖ ତ ଆସିବ ଅଳ୍ପ ତିନି ଦିନ କଥା ନେକ୍ସଟ
Item 20.
Item 20, my lords, I am prayed some time, my lords. I am for the respond number 1 and 2, my lord friend appearing for the appellant.
20 कौन ଅଛି କି
For submission of written note, my lord.
तो दे दिया तो जल्दी list number
14 maybe
हो गया
September 14th, my lord.
कितने दिन का है रिटर्न नोट तो देवा पे इतने दिन
My matter list of 18th, my lord, Mr. is accommodation 6 to 12th, outstation of Odisha. So matter taken up 18th,
which Mr.
NK Mr. Senior Advocate, my lord. NK Mr. Senior Advocate, Narendra Kishore Mr.
तो रिटर्न नोट देवा पे इतने समय कम
Hearing कराए ना 18th का
Oh, 18 years old. Don't take so much time. This is a very small issue. Unnecessary, you are taking time for giving a written statement. This is not done. Tell your senior advocate not to do this. I don't appreciate this kind of thing. Would a written submission by the what kind of practice you have? This is not done. Small thing, I could have finished it by now. Just because I'm waiting for your note. Next.
21.
Item 21.
The total dues of the petitioner to be calculated, if any. Petitioner was supposed to take instructions. I also was supposed to take instructions, both parties.
Sorry?
The total dues of the petitioner was supposed to be calculated because Olga postre he has served.
You have calculated? Have you calculated?
Instruction.
Upon calculate करेंगे ना से करें. It will calculate by you.
Olga post to take operation of time.
The state.
Sir, may I please submit one thing? Last day it was ordered that when they will disburse the amount, it was put to the London Council. I beg to submit that. Let it be disposed of with a direction that let him give it within whatever period my lordship may fix. And if they fail to do that, they will.
पुणे आउथरे आपण आसीबे सेतमी सारी देले भलो आ गुटे केस खाली से देबु करी गुटे केस
Sir, since last 5 times.
से पानी सेटा 20 थर लागिथिबो हां से गुटे आ गुटे लेक्चर गुटे को कॉलेज रे से
The sole
तांको केसटा 10 थर की 15 थर की 20 थर लागिथिबो
So the sole difficulties in this case is that
dispose of the problem solve let them get.
May I submit just? This is a case of 2014.
I know, sir. This is a case of 2014. I know that.
But now they have directed to complete the
That's
all
why I'm
dues.
saying that him take the instruction on that where is what detail लेके आसंतु तार order pass कर दो
Let-
नहले आपण पुणी dispose of कर देबी आपण जिबे पुणी सने दौड़ेबे आपण याडे केस टा पेंडिंग रह देबे सने कर देबे
very tentative date may be fixed so that they can comply.
मते किसी ने मोर डिस्पोजल है मो कोन आगोडे केस मोर सैला मु तो से I want really you should get benefit.
I am
That is
obliged,
what I am saying.
but I wanted to.
खाली हम डिस्पोज ऑफ करिया बसिले we are not doing justice.
Okay.
That's why I am saying. खाली डिस्पोज ऑफ करी पळेले कोन हो मु कर देबी संगे संगे पळेबी
Sir,
एक्स्ट्रा मोर एडिशनल बढ़ी गला
I beg to submit that there must be a rider that unless they do it, the
Sir, let them come and let me do handle in my own way, sir.
Come on.
You don't have to tell me. Not consistent to what will you do?
I have to calculate the total area dues if any,
Okay.
from all the
calculate
stations.
Total area dues till date.
Aye.
Till the date of retirement. Till the retirement. And file a statement by 15th September. Hello?
Well,
Let him file. If they don't file, we'll see that. Pending रो डिस्पोज पे फोर्स करंतु मु कर देबी मते 2 मिनिट लागियो बट आपण प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व होबनी बुढा लोकटा पाइबो से ना आपण पळै जिवे केस सरी गला बले खुशी जिवे से बिचारा पुणी दौड़ी दौड़ी थियो पुणी आपण पळै दौड़ी लाभ कोन कागु फायदा ना क्लाइंट को फायदा को सिस्टम द पर्सन हु इज एग्रीड वी शुड गेट जस्टिस नॉट कि आपण लॉयर पक्ष से 10 दौड़ू थियो
he has served across the state. Ikke Somalia may pray for after 20th any date. He has served across the state in several stations.
सर across the state मेल रे मगया पे केते लागि छी
That's why they
कैलकुलेट कर पठेबे तो कोन बस्ता बस्ता ट्रंक लोड जिंस पठेबे आपण एते असुविधा
सर्विस बुक गुडा सब जगह रु आसीने
15 तारिख कम दिन हलानी की 15 तारिख कम दिन हलानी स्टेट भीतर एति की आपण सिस्टम ठीक नै होला योर गवर्नमेंट डजंट डिजर्व टू बी देयर देन if you can't at least you can't do this there is a really a problem of misgovernance then एति की गोटे छोटो जिंसटा आपण 15 दिन लागु छी next
obliged.
22.
So on 22 as per the instruction there is no instruction so it is 22 on behalf of Messrs. K.C. Sahu it is instructed to tell that there is no instruction on it.
next
23.
I'm on VC, my lords, I may be permitted. On the earlier occasion, the state had to take instructions with regard to twice they have taken instruction. One SLP has been filed. Say diary number ta douthule. Now the question is, my lords, I have checked up. They have gone on a SLP. The number is not there. A diary number is mentioned, and it was supposed to be listed on
diary
5.
number late file kala diary number मिले timely file kala SLP number मिले हला तेनु सेति डायरी नंबर एसले कंफ्यूज होंतनी
Diary number like instead of 5/7/2023, it was to be
डायरी
listed
नंबर
before
जतले
justice.
लेट फाइल की डिले टा कंडोन हे जो ताबले एसएलपी रे कन्वर्ट हे जिवो
Madam,
the system
Your lordship is aware of that. Justice Bikramnath and Justice Asabuddin Amanullah ko pakare list over thila on 5/7/2023.
सेजन बसि नथिले जणे बसि नथिले सेजन
As he has not stated it.
yes
What
no
we have
no
done-
and that day justice Amanullah is not well he said that
That's my lords. On this retap, what's SLP they have preferred? They have preferred that is state of Orissa, secretary to government, chief secretary to. No, your lordship will see Kusto Chandra Das case they have filed. That was disposed of on a single date, that is on 1/8/2022. Now the corresponding case, the order which reads is as follows. Can a Supreme Court
dispose of or dismiss don't get confused
It was dismissed.
dispose of or dismissed
It was dismissed. In
कौन
the
है
order,
dispose of
the order was passed on.
the different connotation
My lord, it was dismissed on 1/8/2022 in view of dismissal of WPC number 15843 of 2017, with which this writ petition is connected. This court is not inclined to entertain this writ petition. Accordingly, the same is dismissed. Now, the subsequent writ petition, that is 15843 of 2017, which is the main case, leading case, that was also dismissed on the same date, on 1/8/2022. So accordingly, this connected case was dismissed, but there was no reasons. But that case, whether they have preferred an appeal or not, that has to be
in
checked out.
SLP dismiss is no reason is required to be given in SLP if they don't find any substantial question of law they generally dismiss it.
No, not
It is
SLP.
not right also. Simply say only one word dismiss. Sometimes it is also written like this. Delay condone, delay not condone, dismiss like that.
the clarification is, my lord, not SLP is not dismissed. The two writ petitions were listed before this court on 1/8/2022. That is WPC 8169 of 2015, which was dismissed, taking into consideration the connected case 15843 of 2017. This 8169, they have preferred a SLP. So far as the main case where the order is there, that case, whether they have preferred an SLP or not, we don't know. They have not provided that status. That is, that connected case is 15843 of 2017. So basing upon that order, the Honorable High Court has dismissed this application and no reasons have been given. Reason is that the reasons which have been recorded in WPC number 15843 of 2017. So the pensionary benefits we have been deprived of, and it is now continuing, that SLP has probably not been admitted and no order has been passed. So that status, what is the status, and whether the connected
Clarify,
case.
Mr. State Council, clarify what is the status.
They have taken sufficient
To
time.
clarify the status of the SLP filed before the Supreme Court of India.
And whether they have.
11th Rasu.
Asu. And
So
another clarification is that whether they have preferred any SLP against the main matter leading judgment, that was WPC number 15843 of
Note down,
2017.
Mr. Note down.
WPC 15843 of 2017 disposed of on 1/8/2022.
Okay. 15843
843 of 2017.
843 of 2017. Dispose of on
1/8/2022.
1/8/2022.
And relying upon this case, the other case has been dismissed.
Let
against
him find out. Let him find
Your Lordship is fixing to 11.
I'm fixing 11. 11. You're not there?
No, your Lordship is fixed. I'll address.
Okay. Next.
Item 25.
25.
My lord, highlight the counter affidavit.
You are from IPCO.
No, I am a petitioner, IPCO.
You are for the petition. You are for the.
OP number 1.
You have to file the.
Filing the counter.
Okay, let him. OP number 1-6. Well, you are filing now.
Oh, my lord.
You at a counter.
Some problem was there. They are saying.
Counter. Extension counter. Filing counter. Eta no hai. Registry achi. हाँ सेठी फाइल करिवे एठी कॉपी आसीबो थ्रू प्रॉपर चैनल हला
Yes, madam.
लैंड काउंसिल पिटिशन टू फाइल द counter affidavit. You have given copy to them, all of them.
No.
देबे ना देबे नहीं
हाँ दे दे उनको सिटी का फाइल कर साला पर दे
आगुरु दिया जाए केबे सिखिबे आउ always give in advance copy may be given to the parties लगाओ लिख दिया सब बड़ा आगुरु दिया जाए एइति पे तो सब दिया होनी अपन फाइल हे गला पर अपन देख लिया फाइल गला क्लाइंट को फोन कर देबे आज्ञा फाइल गला देखला एपड़ कॉपी दिन आ आउट डेट फुल गला पुणे आउट चलला देखला आज्ञा कॉपी पाइनी पुण टाइम मागिबे ई तो प्रॉब्लम तेनु आगुरु सब बिना सर्विस में काउंटर पळे आछन एठी धर दउछथि এটা কাউন্টার এটা কেবে বি এই ভুল করবে না এটা কাউন্টার বলি এটা কাউন্টার না সেটা কাউন্টার হলা নেক্সট
Item 27.
27.
Entry order is there, my lord.
is the matter 12 entry matter
In this case, entry.
entry matter to continue next
27, my lord, the OSEPA is to file counter. I have called for instructions.
OSEPA
My lord. We have now
OSEPA
appearing
ki achi?
regularly. No, we are appearing. The state is appearing. That was clarified. So I've sought instructions, my lord. I'll file counter in 10 days.
OPEPA OSEPA
OSEPA. Now it has become OSEPA.
OSEPA around concept of OSEPA 1 week time to file the counter. Okay. लिखा है था appearance of counsel of OPEPA or in case of failure you are appearing. Okay, fine. ठीक है. When do you want? Let it come on 14th. 14th September. Next.
28.
28.
27. 47 does when it will go mano it 13.
You are for which matter, Mr. Ray?
27 27 number.
आपका आइटम नंबर कितने?
Same item. 27, I think.
27 ना? Your name doesn't reflect. You are for the petitioner.
Petitioner's counsel is here, my lord. He is just-
ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ ଟିକେ ଆମ ପଟେ ଏପଟେ ଦେଖିକିରି ମାଇଣ୍ଡ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ବହି ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଏପଟେ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ମୁଣ୍ଡ ଟେକନ୍ତୁ ହଁ ଆପଣ କୋଉ ଆଇଟମ କେତେ ନମ୍ବର you shall be confused ଆପଣ 27 ରେ 26 ରେ
No, sorry, I'm sorry. Excuse me.
କାଇଁ କନଫ୍ୟୁଜ କରୁଛନ୍ତି
ମୋର item 50.
ଆପଣ ବନ୍ଦ କରନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କଟା ଆଉ ଗାୟବ ହେଇଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ସେଠୁ ଗାୟବ ହେଇଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ହଁ ନେକ୍ସଟ
Item 28.
yes 27
27 ଟା adjourn ହେଲା।
huh
27 ଟା adjourn ହେଲା 14th of September.
adjourn is next
Item 28.
28
My lord, the petitioner was supposed to file rejoinder.
where is the petitioner none appears for the petitioner list the matter on 21st September 28
29.
29
May I please, your lordship? Very simple matter. Last occasion, your lordship directed State Council to obtain instruction why other services has been regularized from the date of initial appointment. And 3 names your lordship has reflected in case
Why,
of
what
the
is the
other
reply,
service.
sir?
Only this is the point.
university has already done it but you
All these documents I have given. That is their document.
Hmm?
That is their document. In case of others, they have.
the କଣ ଆପଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି
I have instruction. I'll just pass.
read it na everybody should hear it ଗୋଟେ କପି ଆମ ପାଇଁ ବି କରିକି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
ନା ଦେଇ
ସବୁ ଧରିକି ଆସି ପାଖରେ ବସିକି ବସିବେ
The following instructions
ସରକାର ପାଖରେ ଏତେ ପଇସା ଅଛି ଏଇଟା
I'll give a copy. my lord. Fine.
ବାଣ୍ଟୁଛନ୍ତି ଖାନା ପିନା ସବୁ ବାଣ୍ଟୁଛନ୍ତି ଛତାରୁ ଜୋତା ସବୁ ଆଉ ପେପର ଗୋଟେ ପାଇଁ ଆପଣ ଆମକୁ କପିଟେ ଦେଉନାହାନ୍ତି
And I'll give it.
ପଢନ୍ତୁ
As per provisions enshrined under section 11(1)(d) of statute 11(1)(d) of Odisha University First Statutes 1990, the registrar of the university is the appointing authority in respect of class 4 employees, and the engagement of petitioners were made by the hostel superintendent, and their appointment was not made against any sanction post. The present petitioner's case cannot be considered in terms of the decision in para 44 of the Umadevi case, as the petitioners had not put in 10 years of service as on 10/4/2006 without availing protection from out of interim orders of courts or tribunals, though they completed more than 10 years after the cutoff date so fixed by the Honorable Apex Court. The GA and Public Grievance Department has issued instructions for regularization of contractual appointments / engagement via their letter number 7210 dated 3rd of March 2021, wherein it has been emphasized upon the judgment of Umadevi that the ratio of the judgment in Umadevi case shall not apply to contractual appointments, engagements made after 11/4/96 and the cases of contractual appointments, engagements which are not continuous for 10 years as on 10/4/2006. That was qualified later
but
by
your government has some notification for 6 years, no?
Okay. They're not in that zone.
In my
they
case,
are not coming.
same Utkala University, in case of others, from the one list where our name is there. In case of Godadhar Sethi, Parikita Malik and Pratap Chandra Mohanty.
Question I have
My God,
asked last
that is
occasion, I have told you
particular
to
question, man.
why some of the similarly placed people have been regularized and not these people? That is my question.
So 9 posts were
Sir,
sanctioned. So 23 were there.
see, you are saying all the rules and all these things, fine. No, I am not disputing that. But question is, if some people in a same group, same similarly footing, some people are regularized, some are not. That is the question. That you have to answer.
Let me then call for specific instruction only on this one. The general Astila.
Sir, the point of law is something else.
Yeah.
Sir, they have already been regularized. Already been regularized.
These people are
Yes,
regularized.
they regularized. They regularized since 2/2/2023.
You have been regularized?
Yes, regularized.
Then what is the problem then?
From the date of initial
Ronto,
appointment.
the law is only regularized whether they will regular. Say, Jodhana government regularized kala, whether from that date it will be affected or from the date of initial engagement. That was decided by this Honorable Court. Also, university went to Supreme Court and also subsequently contempt, all these things. This is my instruction.
Initial appointment.
Initial appointment.
The rest of the people who are regularized were from 2014, not from the date of initial appointment.
Why?
No, because the regular appointment was not given by the government and there was no sanction post. So hostel superintendents had themselves given appointments ad hoc. That is why.
In fact, they are not entitled to be regularized, but whatever it may be that is, but once
बाकी
they
ମାନଙ୍କୁ ଯୋଉଠି କଲେ ସେଇଦିନ ଠୁ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଖତମ 14 ରୁ ଯଦି କରିଛନ୍ତି
let me take specific instructions why
take instruction
2014.
सीधा से करो illegally appointment ହେଇଥିଲେ from that day we can't because they are not properly
Right, my lord, that was what I was saying.
बाकी ମାନଙ୍କୁ 14 ରେ କରିଦो
So let me take instructions why 14 for those people and why 20.
let us consider the state to take instruction as to whether the petitioners can be regularized from the which date, that is cut off date.
initial appointment your lordship.
sir initial ରେ ହବନି ସେଟା ହେଇପାରିବନି
No, no, ଅନ୍ୟ ମାନଙ୍କର ଆଜ୍ଞା କରିଛନ୍ତି ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ for that
କରିନାହାନ୍ତି
2014
for that reason your lordship I have annexed that document that is with your lordship kindly see your lordship.
sir ଆପଣଙ୍କର post ଯଦି wrongly ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଯଦି ଦିଆଯାଇଥିବ ତାହେଲେ initial ରେ
that is
କେମିତି ହବ
all method of recruitment for them and myself is same. If I have
hostel superintendent ବାହାରିବ ସେ କହିଲା ତୁ ପାଇଲୁ ତୁ job ପାଇଲୁ ତାଙ୍କୁ ପୁରା ସେ date ରୁ କରିବେ
ସେମାନଙ୍କର ଯଦି
first of all ଏତିକି କରିଛନ୍ତି ଖୁସି ହୁଅନ୍ତୁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା କଣ କରିଛନ୍ତି
ask for some
ଆଉ 5 ବର୍ଷ ରିଟାୟାର୍ଡ କରିବେ I will
ତ
not
5
get any
ବର୍ଷରେ ଆପଣ
pension.
ଘରକୁ କଣ ସରକାର ଯାଇଥିଲା ଚାକିରି କରିବୁ ବୋଲି ଆପଣ ନିଜେ
That is
ଯାଇଥିଲେ
they are now exploiting my poverty.
exploiting ନୁହେଁ ଆପଣ exploit ହେବା ପାଇଁ କିଏ କହିଲା କି ଛାଡ଼ିଦେଲେନି ଚାକିରି ଛାଡ଼ି
Your
ଦେଇଥାନ୍ତେ
lordship knows in Orissa that is class for group D employee.
ଆଉ ସେମିତି କହିଲେ କେମିତି ହବ ଗୋଟେ ପୋଷ୍ଟ ଆପଣ ପୋଷ୍ଟ ତ ଫାଷ୍ଟ ଅଫ ଅଲ୍ ଯୋଉ ଜବ୍ ପାଇଛନ୍ତି ସେ ଜବ୍ ଟା ପାଇବା କଥା ନା ପାଇଛନ୍ତି
ଏତିକିରେ ଖୁସି ହେଇକି
ଦୁଇରେ ସେମାନେ ଏତେ ଦିନ ରଖିଲେ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ତାପରେ ରେଗୁଲାରାଇଜ ବି କରିଦେଲେ ତାପରେ କହିଲେ ନାଇଁ ମତେ ସେଠୁ ଦେ ମାନେ ଟୁ ମଚ୍ ହେଇଗଲା
ଏତିକିରେ ଖୁସି ହେଇକି ରୁହ ଆଉ କାହିଁକି ତାକୁ
ସେ 14 ଯେତେ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି 14 ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
ଆଣୁ ସେ ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ ଆଣୁ
let him take instruction କୋଉ 14 ଡେଟ୍ ଟା କୁହନ୍ତୁ
କହୁନୁ କେତେ ତାରିଖ ସେଟା କେତେ 2002 initial engagement ଟା ଯୋଉଟା that is annexure 15 annexure 15 କହୁନୁ କେତେ ତାରିଖ initial engagement ଟା କେବେ the date of engagement that is they have not given the date only year of engagement has been given
And 9 people. My lord, in fact, I was wrong. I submitted, give a wrong date. It is 25/1/2020.
it is a date of engagement 9 2002
14 କେମିତି ପାଇଲେ ସେ ଡେଟ୍ ଟା
More no, my mistake. I thought it was
କଟ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଡେଟ୍ ଟା କେମିତି ଆପଣ ଡିସାଇଡ୍ କରିବେ
regularized with effect from 25/1/2000. The government approval ଯେବେ କଲା ସେ 9ଟା post.
ଆଉ ସେ ଆଗ ଲୋକମାନେ
ସେମାନେ regularize ହେଲେ ତା ପରେ ହେଇଛନ୍ତି.
no he is saying there are some similarly placed people who has been regularized and their regulation has been counted from the date of their initial appointment. Is it true?
No. Nobody's regularization has been counted from it. That I am sure. That I have checked.
That you take instruction. If ଆପଣ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ କୋଉ ମାନଙ୍କର ହେଇଛି ଟିକେ
your lordship has reflected in the body of the that is the last order your lordship just
ଅର୍ଡର ଛାଡ଼ନ୍ତୁ ନା ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ନା ସେଟା ନା ଲିଷ୍ଟ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ଲିଷ୍ଟ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ କାହାର ସେମାନେ କରିଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ ନା ଆପଣ କ୍ଲାଏଣ୍ଟ ଆସିକି ଗପି ଦେଲା ଆପଣ ମାନିକି କହିଦେଲେ ଆସିକି କ୍ଲାଏଣ୍ଟ ଗପନ୍ତି ଆଜ୍ଞା ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ତାଙ୍କର ଇଏରେ ବହୁତ ଗପନ୍ତି ସେମାନେ କହିବେ ଆମ କେସ୍ ପୃଥିବୀରେ ବଢିଆ କେସ୍ କହିବେ ଆପଣ ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି ମୁଁ ଜାଣିଛି ନିଅନ୍ତୁ ଯେ ସତରେ ହେଇଛି ନା ନାହିଁ ସେଇ ନାଁ ଟା ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
8/5/2014. I'll show that.
ଏଇ ଡେଟ୍ ଟା କେମିତି ପାଇଲେ କୋଉ ବେସିସ ରେ
No, I'll take it. The exact date.
କିଛି ତ ବେସିସ ଥିବ ନା ଗୋଟେ ଏଇଟା ଏମିତି ଏଇ ଡେଟ୍ ତ କାହାର କୃଷ୍ଣ ଜନ୍ମାଷ୍ଟମୀ ନା ଆଉ କାହାର କିଏ ଜନ୍ମ ହେଇଥିଲା କିଛି ଗୋଟେ ହେଇଥିବ ନା ସେଇଠି ଆଉ ନହେଲେ କେମିତି ଏମିତି ଡେଟ୍ ଟେ ପାଇଗଲୁ ହଁ The services of the following non-mess employees of PG hostel are regularized with effect from ଏଥିରେ ସେ ଲୋକର ନାଁ ଅଛି ଯାହା ନାଁ କହୁଥିଲେ ଆପଣ କାହା ନାଁ କହିଲେ
ନା ଏଥର ମୋ ନାଁ ନାହିଁ ଏ ଅନ୍ୟ ମାନଙ୍କର ଯୋଉ
ନା ନା ଯୋଉମାନେ କହୁଥିଲେ ଆଗରୁ ପାଇଯାଇଛନ୍ତି
ନା ନା
2002 ରେ ଯିଏ ପାଇଛନ୍ତି ଦଉନାହାନ୍ତି ମତେ
ସେଇଟା ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ନା ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଗୋଟେ କପି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
ଦେରି ଜାଗା ରିଜେଣ୍ଡର ରେ annexure 5 ଟା ଦେଖୁନ annexure 5 ଟା ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ରିଟ୍ ରେ
ନାଇଁ annexure 5 ନାହିଁ ଯୋଉ ଲୋକ କହୁଛନ୍ତି they have got from the initial date of
my lord that is annexure 16 17 and 18 that is in the body of the rejoinder affidavit
16 17 18 ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ and concept of the petitioner to take instruction on annexure 16 17 and 18 who are stated to be at par with the present petitioner in terms of their appointment
from the date of appointment date of initial appointment engagement
yes engagement appointment engagement
नहीं engagement आगे appointment है difference है
engagement है
engagement
ହେଲା ଆପଣ ନିଅନ୍ତୁ ଆଗ ଦେଖ ଆଉ ଏଟା ଟିକେ କିଏ ଜନ୍ମ ହେଇଥିଲା ଟିକେ ପତା କରିବେ ଏ ଡେଟ୍ କଣ ପାଇଁ କଲେ ଆପଣ ଯଦି ସେମାନେ ସେଇ ଡେଟ୍ ରୁ ହେଇଥିଲେ ତାହେଲେ ଏଇ ମଝିରେ ଗୋଟେ ଡେଟ୍ ଟା କୋଉଠି ପାଇଲେ ଆପଣ 14 ଟା କୋଉଠି ପାଇଲେ ସେଟା କହିବେନି
ପାଇଲା
ଯଦି ସେଇ ଲୋକମାନେ 2000 ରେ ହେଇଥିଲେ 14 ରେ କାହିଁକି ହେବେ 14 କୁ କୋଉ ବେସିସ ରେ ନେଲେ ସେଟା ବି କହିବେ ନା
2002 ରେ କେହି ହେଇନାହାନ୍ତି I'm sure I'll take it.
କହୁନି
Suppose
no,
the
just I am asking something. I don't know. You know better.
government-
ସେ 14 ଡେଟ୍ ଟା କୋଉଠୁ ଆସିଲା କଣ ପାଇଁ ଆସିଲା ସେଟା ଦେଖିବେ ଯେମିତି ଆମର ଇଣ୍ଡିଆନ ଫ୍ରିଡମ ମୁଭମେଣ୍ଟ ରେ ସମସ୍ତେ ପଚାରନ୍ତି ଅଗଷ୍ଟ 15 ଟା କାହିଁକି ହେଲା ଡେଟ୍ ଆଉ କଣ 14 ହେଇପାରିଥାନ୍ତା 13 ହେଇପାରିଥାନ୍ତା 17 ହେଇଥାନ୍ତା ତାର ଗୋଟେ ହିଷ୍ଟୋରିକାଲ ସିଗ୍ନିଫିକାନ୍ସ ଅଛି କାହିଁକି 15 ହେଲା ସେମିତି ଜାନୁଆରୀ 26 କୁ କଣ ପାଇଁ କଲେ ରିପବ୍ଲିକ ଡେ ସେଟା ବି ସମସ୍ତେ again ହିଷ୍ଟୋରିକାଲ ସିଗ୍ନିଫିକାନ୍ସ ସେମିତି ଏହାର ହିଷ୍ଟୋରିକାଲ ସିଗ୍ନିଫିକାନ୍ସ ଟା ବତାନ୍ତୁ ହେଲା ନେକ୍ସଟ
He moved Rajasthan. Move paper ଟା।
ହଁ ଏଟା କେବେ ଆସିବା
Court.
2 weeks man
2 weeks
ଆଜ୍ଞା
18 ଆସୁ 18
Move paper ଟା।
ନେକ୍ସଟ
Item number 30.
ପେପର
30 my lords, here my
30
lords, the annexure 5, 6 and 14 that are those are the final merit list selected candidates list and the impugned order under annexure 14
what
is
is
under
the
challenge.
issue
Here my lords, I have challenged the selection of the OP numbers 6 to 14 who have been
Gram
engaged
Rozgar
as Gram Rozgar Sevak.
There are about several opposite parties
Private opposite
private for whom notice is not yet sufficient they need to appear
13 and 14
Notice
it's
is not
not sufficient. It has, my lords, may I
Let him take fresh
pray
notice.
lordship may direct the registry to place the postal tracking report, my lords, because it has not been back and also unserved notice are also not
ପ୍ଲସ୍ଟା ଦେବ
the record ta jana pone, my lords,
ଆପଣ
after
ପିଟିସନର ନାହିଁ
petitioner.
ରେଜିଷ୍ଟ୍ରି ଦେବ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ
My lords, it can be known that
ରେଜିଷ୍ଟ୍ରି ଦିଏ ବୋଲି ଜାଣିନି ମୁଁ କେବେ ପୋଷ୍ଟାଲ ଟ୍ରାକିଂ ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଆପଣ ସିନା ରେଜିଷ୍ଟ୍ରି ଫାଇଲ କରିବେ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ରେଜିଷ୍ଟ୍ରି ଦେବ ହଁ କାମ ନାହିଁ ରେଜିଷ୍ଟ୍ରି ଆପଣ ଖୋଲିଯିବ ପୋଷ୍ଟାଲ ଟ୍ରାକିଂ କରିକି ବସିକିରି ଆଉ
ନାଇଁ ସେ ଏତେ ଜଣ
Facts
ଅଛନ୍ତି ତ
ତ-
ସେଇଟା ରେକର୍ଡ ଟା my lords,
କିଛି ତ ସେନ୍ସ ୟୁଜ କରନ୍ତୁ ଏମିତି କଲେ କେମିତି ହବ ପୋଷ୍ଟାଲ ଟ୍ରାକିଂ ଆପଣ ଖୋଜିକି ବାହାର କରନ୍ତୁ
status ଟା my lords, status
ସେ ରେଜିଷ୍ଟ୍ରି ଦେଖିବ ଫାଇନାଲି ସର୍ଭ ହେଲା ନା ନ ହେଲା ସେ ଜାଣିବେ
let fresh notice
ସେ ରେଜିଷ୍ଟ୍ରି କରେ
fresh
ପୋଷ୍ଟାଲ ଟ୍ରାକିଂ
notice
ଡିପାର୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟ ଅଛି କି ରେଜିଷ୍ଟ୍ରି କିଏ ଅଛି ଏମିତି ଖୋଜେ ବସିକି
it is done, my lords.
ଆସିବ ନା ହଁ
ସେ tracking number ଟା ତାଙ୍କୁ
ଆପଣ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ପାଇଲେ ଆପଣ ଦେଲେ ବି ଚଳିବ କାହିଁ ହବନି
2021 ରେ ଯାଇଥିବ let him take fresh notice
21 ରେ my
Okay,
lords,
let fresh notice be issued to the party.
fresh notice my unutilized copies may be utilized again, my lords. See copy ଟା
Next.
date may be fixed, my lords.
ପଠାନ୍ତୁ
Fixed. 5th October.
5th October.
Yes.
Obliged.
Next.
Item 31.
31.
Item 31, I am for the petitioner, my lord.
In this case, I am the opposite party bank.
Yes, what do you say?
My lord, some time may be required to file the rejoinder.
Okay, Land Council petitioner 6. 1 week time to file the register. This is the matter on 13th September. Next.
My
32.
May I please, your lordship? My lord, item 32, I may be permitted to withdraw the show cause and file a fresh better show cause.
Hey.
This show cause is not in consonance with the order, my lord. They have clarified on the order of the ombudsman, my lord. They should have clarified on the order of the Hon'Ble High Court.
Thank God. जब जागे तब सवेरा. Next. जागे पहले से. We want to withdraw. You have to file better. Better application. Next.
Obliged.
33.
33 urgent he is.
Huh?
Urgent he is. That will be कितना से time है?
33 था 2 PM also 11th to lordship urgent it.
ठीक.
Well, unfortunately, I could not appear in the first hour.
34.
36.
Or 34. 36.
in fact in 36 there is a proposal for repayment of the loan. The bank has also got instruction, let this matter be taken up 4 weeks after so that the matter will be settled.
List the matter on 10th October.
Obliged.
10th October. Obliged. The parties are on the settlement. Joint request of the parties for the matter. 10th.
Item 37.
Next. 37 পড়ে গেলে petitioner counsel Subhranshu Saurabh পড়ে
My lord, I'm appearing through VC, my lord.
you are for the
I'm for the petitioner. My lord, I am for the petitioner, my lord.
He's for the petitioner, I am for the opposite party.
who is for the petitioner
Is appearing through VC.
you are for the petitioner
Yes, your lordship, my lord. My lord, Mr. Patnaik is leading me in this matter. My lord, his mother has been admitted for dengue in hospital. And my
so
lord,
you are,
that is why he's not-
you are on time
There's a
Indeed,
third
your
time,
lordship,
Lord
my
is
lord.
enjoying the interim order, ex parte order.
you
Your
are
lordship, I call it
enjoying
on fifth.
This
Your
third
lordship,
time
I
he
call it on-
requested this time.
which Patnaik is appearing which Mr.
My lord, Amit Patnaik. Mr. Amit Patnaik, your lordship.
so when will be free then
My lord, may I kindly call it
Last
on
time
fifth, your
also he
lordship.
said he was traveling and
when will be free
My lord, may I call it on fifth, your lordship. I'm asking for next week. only.
why
Your
did you argue
My lord, I would have loved to argue, but my lord, it's the client's instruction, and my lord, he has been engaged in the matter, my lord.
you are enjoying the stay mister
My lord, may I kindly call it on fifth. My lord, I'm only requesting till fifth.
that's the last day as a last son the matter will adjourn to fifth on the request of long-term petitioner fifth last no further time ସେତେବେଳେ ଆଉ ଡେଙ୍ଗୁ କ୍ୟାନ୍ସର ଆଉ କିଛି ଚଳିବନି ହେଲା
My lord,
no
ମାଙ୍କୁ
further
ହେଇଯାଇଛି,
adjournment
my
shall
lord,
be
ସେ
given.
my lord, ସେ ତାଙ୍କ ମାଙ୍କୁ ହେଇଯାଇଛି, my lord, he was saying that
ସେତେବେଳେ ଯାହା ମୁଁ କହୁନି you should not
the
attend your
hospital
mother
admitted.
you attend but at this time make arrangement for the court
Yeah.
ହଁ
My lord,
ଗୃହ କାର୍ଯ୍ୟ ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ରାଜ କାର୍ଯ୍ୟ ଇମ୍ପୋର୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ ହେଲା ରାଜ କାର୍ଯ୍ୟକୁ ନେଗ୍ଲେକ୍ଟ କଲେ ହବନି yes
I bow down,
next.
your lord.
No further
My lord,
adjournment
the
shall be
interim orders
given.
to continue.
No
my lord.
further adjournment shall
नहीं,
be
लिख दिया ना
obliged.
next
My lord, the interim orders to
38.
continue, your lord.
yeah
My lord, the interim orders to continue.
interim order ଅଛି ନା interim order ନଥିଲେ ତମେ ଆଉ ଏମିତି କରନ୍ତ କି ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ରେଡି ହେଇକିରି ଆସନ୍ତ ଦୁଇ ଚାରିଟା କାଉନସିଲ ଏଙ୍ଗେଜ କରିକି ଆସନ୍ତ ଛିଡା ହେଇଯାଆନ୍ତ
Maybe, my lord, in item number 38, my lord.
I bow down, your
appearing
lord.
for the opposite button number 4, my lord.
Odisha State Bar Council
I am appearing for opposite button number 4, my lord.
yes what do you say
My lord, 2 weeks time may be granted to file a counter. My lord.
Mr. Kind, your lordship may see, I was raising that point of maintainability. They have to go to tribunal. They have a
No.
provision to go to tribunal.
who is your senior
Mr. Lalit Mishra.
କଣ ହେଲା ତାଙ୍କ ଠିକ ହେଇନି ଯାଏ
ଆସିନାହାନ୍ତି।
ତମେ ଆରମ୍ଭ କର
My lord, I need to file a
अरे
counter.
रहो ଟିକେ maintainability
you
question.
start you are for whom
I am for opposite button number 4, my lord. I am appearing today.
He is a pro forma. Matlab the main contest is between the bar council, state bar council, me
ଏଠି
and
କାଇଁ ଦଉଛ
I will file.
ଏଠି କିଛି ନାହିଁ yes you will argue
Well, I need 1 week time to prepare more.
note କଣ ଏଟା ଛୋଟ କେସ୍ note କଣ
I have some they are wasting their she is my younger sister. I should not interrupt. She
today
is
you should
wasting
not
her
say
time.
today you should not say
She is wasting her time. She should have gone to tribunal. She will get the relief in the tribunal. Tribunal is
My lord, I would like to differ with my learned senior. My lord, it is clearly mentioned under Rule 55.
You
that-
have relied upon that rules which I am placing.
My
Your
lord,
lordship
Rule
may kindly sit
55.
there.
yeah now she is in mood आगे अच्छा चलो शुरू हो जाओ 55 yes filing of election
Clearly mentions that
After
any
notification of
notification of
result.
result of election by election officer, any defeated candidate may present an election petition with a prayer to set aside the result of the election notified. My lord, we are not a defeated candidate. We are uncontested. Matlab, the post for the
Our entire
president.
case is that her nomination was illegally rejected by the election.
My lord, we
officer.
were not allowed to
First-
contest the election. So
first,
we are not a
The
defeated
election
candidate.
officer cannot be made a party as per rules. So this writ petition is defective on that score. First.
My lord, the election.
Second. Take a minute, madam.
Yes, sir.
Second.
let her senior just କାଇଁ ଛୁଆଟାକୁ ହଇରାଣ କରୁଛ
ନାଇଁ ସେ ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେଠି କଲେ ଜଲ୍ଦି
ଆଉ
ହବ
ଆଉ just ଗୋଟେ time ଦେଇଦେ ହେଲା ଏ କଣ ଏ ଭାସି ଯାଉଛି ଦେଶଟା ଇଲେକ୍ସନ
more there is no interim order, it doesn't affect me.
you just
My lord, next date go to 1 week time.
1 week so should I fix 11
12, my lord.
okay 12 ହେଲା 12
My lord,
just on that day I will not give as a last chance The matter, on the request of learned counsel petitioner, matter is adjourned to 12, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
12 September. No further adjournment shall be granted.
And my appearance may be noted for OP number 2.
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ମୁହଁରେ ନାଁ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ଗୋଟେ କାଗଜଟା ଦେଇପାରିବେନି
ନା, ନା, file କରିଦେବି।
ଏଟା ବି ମୁଁ କହିବି ଆପଣ କାଗଜଟା ଦେଇଦେଲେ ତ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ନାଁ ଚଢିଯିବ ଆଉ ଏଇଟା ଛୋଟ ଛୋଟ ଜିନିଷ ମତେ ସବୁ କହିବି
And for 3.
ସମସ୍ତେ ମେମୋ ମାନେ ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ସେ ଲେଖିଦେବ ଗଲା
39.
39
39, Lordship, we have prepared the written note of submission. We'll file it in 2 days. It's done. Some cosmetic changes my learned senior has done.
ହାତୀ ସଜ କର ହାତୀ ସଜ ହଉଛି ନୋଟ ଟେ ବନଉଛନ୍ତି 3 ଦିନ ତକ କସ୍ମେଟିକ ଚେଞ୍ଜେସ୍ ଇଏ ଚେଞ୍ଜେସ୍ ଓ ଚେଞ୍ଜେସ୍
It's ready. It's prepared. Few more changes.
କେବେ ଦେବେ
Lordship, may give 2 days time.
ଅପୋଜିଟ ପାର୍ଟି ଦେଇସାରିନି
Opposite party ତାଙ୍କର counter ରେ ହିଁ ଅଛି ତାଙ୍କର written note of submission.
ଆପଣଙ୍କର ହେଇନି
ନାଇଁ ମୋର
ହାତୀ ସଜ ହଉଛି ହଉ ହେଇଯାଉ ଜଲ୍ଦି 12 next short
Lordship, may close the here. We'll
no ଆପଣ ଆଉ ଏଇ ଦିଗ ଗଡଉଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ କ୍ଲୋଜ କଲା ଛାଡିବେ
Lordship, may close it. I'll file.
No,
the-
I'm not
I'll
closing.
make a mention.
I am not closing
Oh, ठीक है.
unless you give
As your Lordship is.
I am granting till first
First
September
September.
ହେଲା
आज्ञा.
1st September ଦେବେ ଯେମିତି
ଆଜ୍ଞା.
next
Item number 40.
September.
yeah 1st September note ଦେବେ ହେଲା
ठीक है.
40 next
May I please,
Item
Lordship?
40.
The GRS transfer matter, my lord, last occasion, your lordship directed the secretary Panchayati Raj department to file an affidavit regarding the fairer transfer policy, my lord. Because in this case, the petitioner has been transferred from Sudda GP under Titlagad block to Tenthulikuti GP under
My lord,
Titlagad block.
have you filed that
Yes, yes. I have filed
where
it.
is that yes where is that
What
cannot-
is that? File it. E-filing.
କାଇଁ ମୁଁ ଦେଖିନି ତ କୋଉଠି ଅଛି
I would extra copy Lordship.
ଆଇଏ ରେ ଫାଇଲ କରୁଛନ୍ତି
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ
ହଁ
ଗୋଟେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଫାଇଲ ହେଇଛି 25/8 ରେ ଫାଇଲ ହେଇଛି
କୋଉଠି ନାହିଁ ତମକୁ ପାଉନି
ଇ ଫାଇଲ ହେଇଥିଲା ଷ୍ଟେଟ ର ସବୁ ଇ ଫାଇଲ ହଉଛି
I know that if file ଆମେ ଫାଇଲ କୁ ଆସିବନି
Still hard copy I am handling.
that is not an explanation state ରେ ଆମେ if file ବୋଲେ ଆସିବନି ଏମିତି କଣ ମାନେ ଅଛି
ନାଇଁ but it has
You
been
have to-
noting
no,
ଅଛି
you
e
have to
file
ensure
I am sorry
But
madam
he has stated that intra-block transfer will not be there.
let me submit last occasion Lordship I directed the principal secretary Panchayat department to frame a comprehensive policy insofar as transfer of GRC is concerned. Now the petitioner himself has enclosed a policy decision of the government, my lord, wherein the it deals with comprehensive guidelines for selection engagement of GRS under Manrega scheme. It is at page 19 of the writ petition. Now this comprehensive guideline also includes the transfer policy, my lord. However, since your lordship was page 25, if your lordship will see page 25 writ petition.
25
Yes, my lord. My lord, what it means? First to the transfer লেখা হয়েছে
okay
the post of GRS is transferable in nature within the concerned district. The collector cum CO Jila Parishad is competent to transfer the GRS from one panchayat to another GP.
this is
Yes,
what I
yes.
want I don't want
Yes, my lord. So therefore,
in one district for example I'm giving you example suppose Ganjam district
my lord,
A
say
person- just example see
My
listen
lord.
to me. Say for example Ganjam district
My lord.
a person who will be suppose transferred from Rungai Lunda to Bhanjanagar it is more than 100 kilometers
Correct, my lord. So this
same
is
district you are saying same district but a poor person who is getting only
salaried
70,000
employee.
salary
Yes, my lord.
how will you transfer he will have a separate establishment there or even if by suppose you to go take some bus or something also the
I bow down.
entire money will be spent on
Yes,
that.
my lord. I bow down. Therefore, your lordship.
Therefore I am saying
Yes, my lord.
intra block
My lord, it
not
has
inter-block.
has been, my lord. So just my lord, it has been, your lordship. May kindly see my new affidavit, my lord.
Where is that
Page so my lord, only pursuant to your lordship direction this has been amended.
where is amendment
This is page 5 this affidavit. So that is what I am saying, my lord. Since your lordship's message was very loud and clear to the department, they have actually amended that provision. And if your lordship will see page 5 the 25/23 order pursuant to section 18, my lord, leave it those my lord say jo
जो पठे जोटा अपन पढ़ेले भी जोटा ट्रांसफर पॉलिसी रे provided that subject to vacancy as far as practicable the GRA should be transferred within the same block. So my lord, that will suffice the concerns raised by the petitioner or by your lordship also, my lord. Same block re semane karibe unless some compelling circumstance, my lord, that liberty should be given to the my lord, unless my lord the
That's it. Fine.
Yes, my lord. So
This comes out well.
yes, my lord. So that
Now they have as far as practicable. Suppose there is no vacancy, then what is the consequence?
And it was also booked in
you have to be sent to some nearby block. So that
Respectfully, I frame a lot.
That's why they say subject to vacancy as far as practicable, the Gram Rozgar Sevak should be transferred within. This is what I have written in my order.
Yes, my lord.
In the same block of Panchayat Samiti, unless some compelling circumstances dictate the situation. This is what exactly I have written.
Yes, my lord. You will only
They have taken it
so
as it is.
In view of their affidavit, my lord, your lordship may be pleased to quash the impeachment order as it is an intra-block transfer of 100 km from Sudda GP of Titlagarh block to
may I suggest
Tendulikutti GP of
may I
Murgala
suggest
block.
one thing, my lord, but that to impugn order जो देखो सेतिरे बहुत अलगा लोकंकर भी अछि.
So with respect to the petitioner only,
Yes,
my lord.
so why don't you I may suggest one thing, your lordship may direct the collector Balangir to take a fresh decision as per the new order.
Okay, this may be quashed next session रे ସେମାନେ देखि पारिबे my lord, सेटा तो काकू मना नाही. अब पुणी कलेक्टर को रिमांड हबो.
कलेक्टर तो करिवो नै ना. सर एटा कलेक्टर तो करिवो.
Do one thing. Take instruction where it can be transferred. Simple.
सही ब्लॉक रे भी अछि आगरु ई चार थर भी बदली हेलानी my lord. That I have mentioned.
Land Council of the State to find take instruction from the collector Balangir regarding the transfer of the present petition to a place within the same block.
My lord. As per the decision taken by the Panchayat Raj Department.
As per the decision taken by the Panchayat Raj Department.
On
Vide order dated 25/8/2023.
Yes.
And accordingly, and you take the report.
Yes.
Instruction.
7 days time.
7 days time. Okay. You are continuing there, not problem. The stay is there.
Interim order to continue, my lord.
You want to continue.
But if your lordship so pleases, your lordship may quash it in respect of the petitioner and direct the collector or under
I don't know what is the situation. They are simply quashing and directing is not sufficient. See, they are saying what? There should be some vacancy also. I'll send to some, I'll pass some order and which is not practically possible to implement. Then again will come. He will come.
That is the reason why my lord and client.
So that's a let him take instruction. Let him take instruction. Okay. Next.
Interim order to continue.
Interim order to continue.
Item 41. Item 41. There is a small defect. I will remove the defect by tomorrow, my lord.
41.
My lord.
Okay. Land Council petitioner request for remove. Next.
The stay may be continued. There is stay.
Remove be karibeni, stay be continue.
I undertake to comply the tomorrow by tomorrow, my. There is small defect.
So our different kind samsung remove karibeni. Stay jodi je chahutuba se different remove karibe. Empty habani.
My lord. I undertake.
Remove
by tomorrow. Positive.
For nahanti.
Sita office.
Restrict process.
Okay.
Most order pass you suffer.
No, this is your lordship grant one more chance, my lord. I have not committed any wrong in previous matter. There is.
You want to continue to the next step.
Obliged. Sit in.
When you are so serious about your matter, you must remove the defect immediately.
Sorry, my lord.
Just you aram se file kar de chupchaap se le aao.
Sorry, my lord.
Next.
Item 42.
42.
42, there are 3 matters. I have appeared in all 3 matters and filed counter in the 3rd matter. I am filing today counter in the
other 2 matters, my lords.
I have served copy. I will file it in the.
My lords, counters will be signed. I have just one prayer before your lordship. My lords, my trucks, only in one case, my lords, I have filed an interim application. My trucks are stuck in the Paradip port, my lords. I am unable to remove the trucks and I am paying damage every day, my lords. Now this, my lords, I had loaded the oil while my license was in vogue, my lords. Now they are not allowing me to remove the trucks.
But your license now you got it.
No, my hawker's license has been renewed. The other license under the, my lords, authorization has still not come
So what,
into
what is
force.
your, what is your interim?
My lords, I am saying that let the oil be taken back by the Paradip Port Trust. Let them refund my money. Let me take back my trucks. Every day I am paying damage thereon. Or I may be allowed to remove the waste oil because
I number kete?
IN number hela 13550 of 2023. This is in
22790.
22790 of 23.
Land Council for the petitioner submits that. Sorry, Land Council, you are for,
I am for state pollution control.
state pollution control, submits that. You have all filed, all the.
In one case, I have filed counter. Other two cases, I filed. I have solved copy and filing the rest.
Filing, in one case, you filed that. In which case you have filed this?
In third matter, the Columbia
Number?
third matter is
Columbia.
No, number.
Yes, it has been filed in
24681.
24681.
23.
And the other two matters we will be filing during the course of the day?
Yes.
And consider petitioner to file the original, if any, within a week thereafter. Within a week, within a week. And consider the petitioner has filed an I bearing I number 13544 of 2023.
550.
Oh, 550.
It is in the second.
It is in the second rate application 22790 of 23. That is RS oil.
File I 13.
550 of 2020.
Allow the petitioner to remove the vehicle loaded with waste oil / used oil from the Paradip port without certificate for authorization of collection, reception, transport, and utilization of the waste oil and used oil. In the alternative, the Paradip port can.
In the alternative, the Paradip port can.
My lord, it has been, when it was loaded, at the time I have been valid license. Now, since my license revoked and received
Not
on
renewed.
31st.
Not renewed. It's not been
31st
revoked.
March, it has been not renewed. Up to 31st March, I might have a valid license. Actually, on that day, it has been, everything is, I built up an entry, everything has been processed. Payment has been made, OMT has been made also. But since it is 31st March, my license is not renewed. So I couldn't remove from 31st March, thereafter I couldn't remove it. From 31st March, it is lying there for the last 5 months.
You should model your prayer accordingly. Na? You are just, you should tweak your prayer.
Your lordship, my lord, I have already paid everything. It has been, so I have to remove it. Only that permission to be granted to the license to be granted to the opposite party to allow me to remove it. It is only to remove it from the court.
Accordingly, the petitioner is allowed to remove from the Paradip port.
Without
Paradip port or kuch?
Paradip port, my lord's notice has gone.
Mr. Das, your lordship is observing him also, and special master also. There nobody is coming.
Nobody is coming forward.
But opposite parties, your lordship, and direct opposite parties, because
opposite party to allow the petitioner to remove the vehicle loaded with waste oil, used oil from the Paradip port without certificate for authorization for collection, reception, transport, and utilization of waste oil.
without authorization of the board as a special case.
As a special case.
As a special case. Since the petitioner is paying huge demurrage on day-to-day basis. It is prejudicial to the financial interest of the present petitioner.
Deeply.
The I is disposed.
Deeply.
Next.
matter maybe this. Your lordship is fixing the matter. some date is been given?
Yeah.
The
Because
main
main
matter,
matters is coming on 4th of October.
the main matter in which stay is granted, and these are
I am
cascading,
giving short date, not giving long date. So let it come on 11th.
because unless that stay has been given in the matter which is.
अरे stay is पारदीप वाला केन दौड़िबे देखो ना नेक्स्ट डेट
No, no,
पर
no.
आगे स्टे वैकेट करंतु बोली
Paradip port is.
সেটা আগে গ্রিন পিস বলি ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ମ୍ୟାଟର ଅଛି that relates to aluminum waste.
Oh, okay.
ସେଥିରେ stay ହେଇଛି.
Because of that only they
There
are
is stay now.
at 4th of
I have a different note.
Yes, yes, yes.
All
There
matters,
was same Paradip.
yes, all matters may be taken up on 4th.
4th
October.
4th October.
9.
Next.
43. 43, my lord. The last occasion, lordship was pleased to direct my learned friend to take instruction regarding closure of that loan account. My lord, where my lord, somebody applied for closure of his loan account, but instead of his loan account, my loan account have been closed.
So what are you doing?
My lord.
As a disgorging method. You know what is
My lord.
disgorging? Hallo poti ki taku poti wada disgorging then disgorging.
No, my lord.
Hallo ta potile taku poti potile na.
Oh, date chart. Date chart.
Date chart kadanthu kon kale kon.
Sanction. No. On 16/7/2023, the new loan has been sanctioned for restoration, my lord. But they are not cooperating, my lord. The petitioner are not cooperating till yet, my lord. But they wrote a letter to me, who went to the bank.
Which same, my lord?
They,
Which same
they are saying
outstanding?
that you apply for a fresh loan, not that previous loan. And they are not also crediting the amount which they have taken from my.
काम का दिन बस की मीटर सॉल्व करन तो आगे कोर्ट को आसन दन हम कोर्ट को हम एंटरटेन करन
से जो पैसा ता देई जाइछो तो मो अकाउंट क्रेडिट कर दो
cancel for the petition the petitioner is directed to approach the bank and the bank will cooperate to have an amicable settlement of the dispute, which is a which deserves to be resolved amicably. Full stop. Let the petitioner be and the bank have a meeting within 1 week from today.
मो पैसा टा का मोर दबे काम
से आपण कथा हे जिबे बेटर एमती कागज पत्र कले हबनी बैंक को जिबे बैंक से बसे मैनेजर संगे and the manager shall give him a shall discuss with him and the matter be resolved within 7 weeks. Sorry, 7 days from today. 7 days खत्म कर दो है ना এখন ডিসপোজ করে দিই
थाउ सेटा काले से
ओके थाउ ताले
মানে
list the matter on 12 September.
12 September कल तारे
बैंक
lots of fix a date so that on that date I will appear
बैंक हजार मासे भीतर को दिन को जिबे फिक्स कर से बैंक और काम आपन जान within 1 week तो लिख लिया next
Item 45.
Report record has been produced by the state. That is the cross matter. Order.
What is the matter?
Matter Anganwadi. I am the candidate. No, could not be selected because opposite party of 6 is selected. Private property. Because of my residential certificate cancelled. That is a boomerang created in my against my favor. In favor of the opposite party of 6. That's why your record has been produced by everyone. That only things.
এটা ଅଛି ফ্ল্যাগ সির ଅଛି
The original record
তহସିଲଦାର
ବାକି
ମାଗିଥିଲେ ଗୋଟେ ରେକର୍ଡ
ଅଛି
ନୋଟିଂ ଅଛି
ଆସିଛି ଆସିଛି ତାଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ
ଲେଟର ରିସିଭ୍ ଫ୍ରମ୍ ଦି
ତାଙ୍କ
ତହସିଲଦାର ପସ୍ତା
ତାଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ଥିଲା ମତେ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି କପି ଗୋଟେ ମତେ ଗୋଟେ କପି ଦେଇଛି ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ମତେ ଆଇ ଏମ୍
ବ୍ଲାକ୍ ପଚରି ଡେଲି ବେସିସ୍ ରେ ଗଲା ନା ନାହିଁ ଗଲା ନା ସେ ପଚରି
ସାର୍ ଏଇତି ବୋଲେ 12 ବର୍ଷ ମୋର ପଳିଗଲାଣି
କିଏ ଏବେ କି
କଣ କରିବ ଦୁର୍ଭାଗ୍ୟ କିନ୍ତୁ Hon'Ble High Court endeavor the continue 6 କରୁଛି ହଁ ଦେଖ ମୁଁ ମେରିଟିୟସ୍ କ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡିଡେଟ୍
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ମାର୍କ ଅଧିକା
ମୋର ରେସିଡେନ୍ସିଆଲ କ୍ୟାନ୍ସେଲ ଅର୍ଡର
ଅଧିକା
ଆଜ୍ଞା ହଁ ମାର୍କ ଅଧିକା
ଆପଣ ଇନିशिଆଲି କଣ୍ଟିନ୍ୟୁ କରିତେ ତାପରେ ଅର୍ଡର ହଟିଗଲେ
ନାଇଁ କିଛି ନାହିଁ
ଆପଣ ମୁଳର ନାହିଁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଏକ ଅଛି
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ତ ଆପଣ ରେସିଡେନ୍ସିଆଲ ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ ଆପଣ ନଥିଲା
ନଥିଲା ସେ ତ କଣ କଲେ ପଛରେ ବ୍ୟାକ୍ ଡୋରରେ କରି କ୍ୟାନ୍ସେଲ କରିଦେଇଛି କ୍ୟାନ୍ସେଲ ବି କରିନାହାନ୍ତି ୱାର୍ଡ କ୍ୟାନ୍ସେଲ ବି ନାହିଁ
କେମିତି
ଦିଟା ଡେଟ୍ ଦେଲେ କାଉଣ୍ଟର ଆଫିଡେଭିଟ୍ 3/5/2009 3/5/2010 ସୋ କୋର୍ଟ କନଫ୍ଲିକ୍ଟ ଡିସିସନ ସୋ ପ୍ରଡ୍ୟୁସ କରିବାକୁ ରେକର୍ଡ ଦେଲେ ରେକର୍ଡ ପରେ ମୁଁ ଆମେଣ୍ଡମେଣ୍ଟ କରିକି ସବୁ କରିଛି ପକେଇଲି ତହସିଲଦାର ଯିଏ ଇନିସିଆଲି ଯେ ପାର୍ଟି ଗୋଟେ ଲେଟର ଦେଇଦେଲେ ତାର ରେସିଡେନ୍ସିଆଲ ବିଲ୍ଡିଂ ନାହିଁ କିନ୍ତୁ ଘର ଅଛି ଭଡା ମୋ ବାତ୍ୟାରେ ଘର ଭାଙ୍ଗିଗଲା ଭତ୍ତା ପାଇଛି ରେସିଡେନ୍ସ ଅଛି ଆଧାର କାର୍ଡ ଅଛି ସବୁ ଅଛି ମୋର ରେସିଡେନ୍ସିଆଲ ବିଲ୍ଡିଂ ଟା ନଥିଲା ଗୋଟେ ଲେଟର ଦେଇଦେଲେ 4 ମୋ ବିଲ୍ଡିଂ ରେ ମୋ ଚାଳ ଘରଟା ଭାଙ୍ଗିଗଲା ବାତ୍ୟାରେ ବି ପାଇଛି କମ୍ପେନସେସନ ଫ୍ରମ ତହସିଲଦାର ଇସ୍ୟୁ କଲେ ଲେଟର
ସେଟା ଟିକେ ଦେଖିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ, ମୁଁ ତ-
3/5/2010 ଲେଟର ସେ 3/5/2010 ଲେଟର whether I am entitled for a notice naturality principle violate କରିଛି ନା ନାହିଁ that's why your lordship have glanced to the order sheet of the my lord's brief there are so many orders from 1915 2015 ଠାରୁ 7 ବର୍ଷ ହେଲା they have not fortunately I got it lordship
Tahsildar Bastia.
Basta. Your lordship in my brief I have annexed 10 I have annexed that party
Have you
yes
filed anything?
3-4
Implement ହେଇଗଲା?
ସେଇଥିରେ
Yes.
ଅଛି ନୋଟିଂ ଅଛି ଯେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଫ୍ଲାଗ ସି ରେ ସେଟା ଅଛି ବୋଲି
ହଁ।
ଦିସ୍ ଇଜ ନୋଟିଂ ମାଇ ଲର୍ଡ
So, what do you want? ତାଙ୍କ implement application allowed?
ଲେଟର ରିସିଭ୍ ଫ୍ରମ୍ ତହସିଲଦାର ବସ୍ତା ଇଜ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଫ୍ଲାଗ ସି
Oh, ଅଛି ପାଇଲି ଏଠି ଅଛି।
ମୁଁ ବି ଜାଣିନି ସେ ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ ଟା କଣ ମଗାଇଥିଲି
କାହିଁ ସେ ଦେଇନି କିଛି? କାହିଁ original record କାହିଁ? ଖାଲି ଲେଖିଦେଲେ ଇଏ it is annex କାହିଁ annex ହେଇନି ତ?
ନାଇଁ ଅରିଜିନାଲ ଟା କୋଉଟା ତାଙ୍କୁ କୁହାଯାଇଥିଲା ପ୍ରଡ୍ୟୁସ କରିବେ ତାଙ୍କୁ
ସେଇ ତ ତାଙ୍କର ଯୋଉ ଫାଇଲ କରିଛନ୍ତି କିଛି ନାହିଁ ତ?
ଥିବ
original ଦେଇନି ସେ।
Your lordship
ଦେଇଛି? You get the Tahsildar order, not getting it.
for a moment your lordship have glanced to annex 10
ରୁହନ୍ତୁ ନା connection ମୋ ମସଲ ଯୋଉଟା ଦରକାର ସେଇଟା ମୁଁ ଖୋଜୁଛି ନା। What is?
ତାହେଲେ ଗୋଟେ ସର୍ଟ ଡେଟ୍ ରଖନ୍ତୁ ନେକ୍ସଟ ୱିକ୍ ରଖନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ନେଇଯାଉଛି
Fifth କୁ ରଖୁଛି। Let him get the Tahsildar report. Not going to state to obtain the report of the Tahsildar.
4 କୁ ରଖିଦେଲେ ମାନେ ସମ୍ଭବ ଅଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ 4
Next.
Item number 47.
Item 47, my lord. Last occasion, your lordship to direct manner lord failed to take instruction whether the post against which the petition was working is lying vacant or not. This is the instruction I have also.
ଆପଣ କୋଉଠି ପାଇଲେ ସେଟା?
Sir, ମୁଁ ମାଗିଥିଲି ମାନେ ମତେ ଦେଇଥିଲି ଇସ୍ୟୁ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ରେଗୁଲାରଲି ଇସ୍ୟୁ କରାହେଇଛି
ଆଚ୍ଛା
ସିଡିପି ଅରିଜିନାଲ ଟା ମୁଁ କହିବି ଆପଣ ଜାଣିଥିବେ ସେ issue।
I have not yet received my lord
ଏ ଭେକାଣ୍ଟ ଅଛି ଏବେ ବି ଲେଖି ଦେଇଛି।
ଭ୍ୟାକେନ୍ସି ଅଛି
ମୁଁ ଟିକେ ସର୍ଟ ଡେଟ୍ ମୁଁ ତ ଆଣିନି ନା ସେଟା ଆପଣ ଆଣିକି ମନା କରୁଛନ୍ତି ମୁଁ ଟିକେ ନେଇ ଆସୁଛି ସେ 4 ତାରିଖକୁ ରଖନ୍ତୁ 4 ଆଉ 5 କୁ ରଖନ୍ତୁ
ତ 4 ଦେଇଦେ। Next. 48.
48.
Fourth rush. 48. Revision 48. 49.
48, my lord. The on behalf of Mr. Mohanty, my lord, he has some personal difficulties. Your lordship may call it on 4th because similar cases are.
Fourth. 49.
49. 49.
Some time will require, my lord. Let it tomorrow as at 2 p.m.
Tomorrow,
My lord, as because my lord, sir, directed to list it as fresh admission has not been come.
Fifth rush.
Fifth, my lord.
50.
Fifth. Sir, at 2 p.m. my lord, because my lord, my lord's direction is there, my lord, to list it as fresh admission. My lord's direction is there to list it as fresh admission.
55 ତ ସରିଯିବ ଏବେ ଏମିତି ଭାବନ୍ତୁନି ପହଞ୍ଚିବ ପହଞ୍ଚିବ
On fifth, sir.
Next. Next, 51,
Item number 50.
50, 90. 50, Dilip Rai, 9, okay, non-appears, list the matter on 14th September, 51.
51.
I am petitioner, regional file good judge.
Okay, regional, land council petition 6 time. Yes, 12 September. 52.
52.
I am for the petitioner. Pray for 1 week time to file a amended cost item.
Okay, big time granted for filing amended cost item list on 14th September. 53.
53.
I am for the petitioner, my lord. Sign for the OP melodies, the OP numbers 2 and 3, the contesting parties. If your lordship sees the last order, my lords, your lordships had directed me to file counter. That was the
You have
date
filed
of.
the counter?
No, I haven't, my lords. I'm submitting, my lords.
You have not filed the counter, or order is submitting again. You file the counter and granting another.
ଖାଲି କହିଦଉଛି
I can't କହିବେ counter file କର file କରିବ ସିଧା ଆଉ ଏତେ ଗପୁଛ କମ land to stop somewhere.
ଆଜ୍ଞା
this is a settlement ତମେ ତ ଶୁଣା ହିଁ ପାରିବନି କହିଲେ କଣଟା
the settlement of death claim of her.
I know that, sir. Let him file the counter first. Let it come on 11th ହେଲା next
Over.
okay
Last day yesterday I had argued that arbitration appeal will also be directly.
give that